Let's go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's a market crash, guys. It's a market crash. SDC is trading unite. SDC trending on China Coin Rock. Okay, nice. Good morning, Jameson, Barry, Howard. Volume is low. I think it might just be the the volume of my voice. I think that's what it is. Caesar, good morning. Hazy, AJ, good morning. Namaste. Namaste. Jasper, ER, good morning. Star, hi Star. Jim says market crash, market correction. Julie, good morning. Julie, DT, Reds. Who else? Who else is here, guys? William is here. Dario is here. Leona is here. Poo is here. Peter, good to see you. Rudy Walker, Chris, so many more people. Shivesh, good morning, guys. Keep it. Kelly, good morning, Kelly. A little bit better, Kelly. A little bit better. Beltus. Good morning, Quinn. Mohammed, hi. Marco, traders. Let's go. Umber Beast, Jean Paul, good to see you. Good to see you guys. Good morning, Detroit. Behave, please, Detroit. Behave. Sell everything and evacuate the land, the Long Island. Oh no, at Detroit. Letosha, missed you. Missed you guys too on Friday. Missed you guys on Friday. I just wasn't able to. I just couldn't do it. A little bit better today, so we'll see. We'll see how long we can go for here today. So, uh, hi, Mindy. You guys are here for the bloodbath. That's what you guys are here for. Crypto's crashing. The market is crashing. Well, I don't know if I want to call it a crash, but correcting, right? So, if you guys are not quite sure what's going on, we can talk about that in a little bit. We can talk about that later today, right? Why the market is down here today. So, yeah. Again, Beth, good morning. Peter Max, good morning. Linda, good morning. Let's see. Happy birthday to who? Happy birthday. Your name is Happy Birthday. Whose birthday is it? Michael Harrison. Shanner. Good morning. Emmer. Good morning. Larry. Good morning. Emperor. Good morning. Christina. Snook. Good morning. If I haven't said good morning to you, good morning. Roadside says you still sound out of it. Oh yeah, no, yeah, roadside not even like, yeah, not even like 70% of the way there, but it is what it is. Stevie, let's go, Stevie. Good morning, Zach. Good morning. The top, Norman. Good to see you guys. Pre-market movers, guys. Even though the market is crashing here, guys, even though the market is correcting, by $2, Kelly. Yeah, so even though the market is down here today, guys, there are quite a few other names that are performing well, right? So SDC is performing well. ZIVO is another name that's performing really well, as you can see on the list. I'm not even worried. Only wish I had more money to invest today. Exactly right, DJ. Yeah. Stewart, with some COVID, Stewart, suck it. Casper, nice to see you back. You look okay. Thank you, Casper. Good to see you too. Mark, for sure, Mark. Yeah. Ryan, a little bit better. John, Diamond Hands. Yeah, again, this is why, right? We're gonna get to this later. So, BTC to 35K, steady fits. We can take a look at the chart to all these tickers later here. Steady fits. 199 to invest today. Let's go. 190, $1.99, Mindy. $1.99 to invest. Good job. Good job. Beard, what's a good buy for SDC? I mean, the buy was $6, right, Beard? Again, we talked about breaking that $6 level there. If we can break and hold above that level, and then that's when the move comes from, right? Again, we're gapping up this morning, so you're gonna have to wait for the market to open and then settle, and then decide if it still wants to keep running, right? If you take a look at Friday, that thing gapped up, ran all the way to 7, whatever, and then sat at 650, right? That's what you're looking for an entry. You're looking for it to again gap up, people take profits, find support and the level at 650 there, and then you can look for that entry and then go from there, right? There you go. Cortez native, good morning, guys. I've got 350. Wow, it's a bit. Jim, what's up, Brian? Let's go, Brian. Missed you guys too on Friday. Let's go, super chat. I'm gonna try not to, I don't know, give you a pump. um Morning. I just want to send some sunshine to start a good week. Hope you feel better fast. Thank you, thank you, paywall. Hopefully soon, soon. Thank you very much for the super chats. Let's go. To load up, there you go. Detroit on the to load up. There you go. Good job, guys. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe, share the link if you can, and yeah. So market opens in what? Okay, cool. 19 minutes, 19, 19, 19. La 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 la. Steady. Let me see here again. Money ready for some tasty dips, Stuart. Some tasty dips. Thank you again for the super chat paywall. Really appreciate that. Let me look at this pre-market movies here, guys, because again, most likely these are going to be some names that we pay attention to here today. Right? Just because again, if everything else is really struggling today, we might just yeah, we can watch something that's actually moving, right? So again, ZIVO here, ZIVO Biosciences. These guys are up what? Let me refresh this page here very quickly. So up 104% with some very good volume, right? So 8 points. Might need to change this list up here some because I'm seeing some changes here. Never mind. So 8.3 million in volume here, right? So 100% move here for ZIVO. But why are these guys up this morning? That's what I want to know. So I'm just quickly browsing the article here on Benzinga. Benzinga, give me something. Give me something, Benzinga. So Benzinga says ZIVO pre-market trading after declining 17% on Friday. So it's really not giving me anything here in terms of news. If you see anything, let me know. But I'm gonna have to take a look on Trading View and see if there's anything there. Most likely not, but I'm sure we'll find something. So ZIVO is a name on the list that we'll be paying attention to. What else? Second one on the list is EDSA, yeah, Edesa Biotech. Another one with some very good volume as well, up 50% here this morning. So again, it seems like the biotech companies are ignoring the market here today, right? I bet you it's on some type of news. So EDSA, again, these guys have news. So EDSA announces phase 2 data of its monoclonal antibody in hospitalized COVID-19 patients. Critical. uh, every when I talk about this now, I feel like it pertains to me. But let's keep going here. So EDSA, Biotech announces phase 2 data of its monoclonal antibody in hospitalized COVID-19 patients. Critically, patients demonstrated. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. And I'm gonna close out some of these tabs here because the number three on the list here is VSTM here, up about 20% this morning with 60 million in volume, and then we have this guy here as well. So we're gonna take a look at the charts for a few of these names, guys, and then we can go from there. Some trending trending. You looked at charter coins, Star. Okay, SDC and IRNT trending. Okay, sounds good. This correction could be great for giving the crypto ball more momentum for another leg up. Yeah, again, corrections are usually when you buy, right? Corrections again, drops are when you make the money, right? Again, those dips you want to have some cash and then go from there. Think about his post game soak, right? I know, Jameson. That was tough, Jameson. Honestly, it was exhausting. Nice to see you. Now you have immunity, Diamond. Not yet. Not yet, Diamond. uh, yeah. No, Diamond, Mindy got it twice. Mindy had it twice. So I don't know about this whole immunity thing. Called she's yeah. Oh yeah, Ryan. Thank you very much. Ryan's wife. She's a great nurse. My yeah. So Ryan's wife gave me some recommendations on things to do. So maybe, you know, the team. Thank you, Ryan. La 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 la. What's nah, good morning, good morning. Back and running, Wiz. Let's go, Wiz. Good morning. Is getting dogged? Oh no. Let's see. I'm just quite catching up to the comments here. Yep, 2 times, maybe 3 times is the charm for immunity. Yeah, I don't know. Immunity T Diamond. Yeah, good morning, Eric. Good morning. Relaxing, not exhausting. No, it's because again, like like not fully recovered, right, Jameson? So that took a lot of energy. That's why. I'm talking about like the Epsom salt, guys, right? Like the Epsom salt, like took a lot of energy. It's supposed to be relaxing, but it drained me quite a bit. So Let's see. CRVS from Friday. I'll take a look. I'll walk her. John, welcome back. Good to see you. Convenient you missed Friday. It was the worst day ever. John, don't speak too soon, John. Today's looking pretty grim. So I travel and it gets travel while you're staying. It's unbelievable, Peter. Absolutely unbelievable. Like it's like sometimes it's like, I don't know what to tell you, Peter, but yeah, that's annoying. Peter was there enjoying, yeah, a deprivation tank it up. Yeah, I need to like just yeah, like do a better job of like hydrating today. And Eric, I don't know. Eric, I don't know. It's because you have a high tolerance to all those FOMO plays. They're prepping you for something, Eric. There you go. So let's take a look at the charts here, guys. Good morning, Rondo. Good morning. And Black Swan. Okay, thank you, Leona. So yeah, we'll take a look. We'll take a look at the market psychology charts here soon, guys. Again, if you guys haven't seen this yet, again, this isn't the only factor that's driving the market down. This isn't like anything new. Usually the market struggles when we go into end of October here. So take a look. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but take a look at October, guys. Take a look at September to October. There, what happens as we end September and go into October? Guess what happens? Again, usually we start having a retracement into October, and then we recover into the end of the year. There, right? So again, this isn't the only factor here, but this is just the market. This is just S&P, the market cycle. Again, telling you what usually happens every month of the year, right? So again, we run all the way. Again, we run to June, have a nice little retracement there. We push into September, mid of September, we start struggling there a little bit, and then retrace into October, and then October we start running again into the end of the year there, right? So again, there you go. That isn't the only factor, but we're gonna talk about again. So I'm not sure if you guys know that the Fed is having their meeting, right? So the Fed has a meeting. The Fed has their meeting on Wednesday, right? So again, you guys know the Fed has been supporting the market for the longest time now. For the last year or so, the Fed has been saying, "Yep, we're pumping a big daddy power, pump the market, support the market, print, support the market, right?" But the Fed has come out recently and said, "Okay, we're gonna start tapering at the end of the year." So again, the market is usually forward leading, right? So what's happening now is what's happening now Detroit. I was going, and then I saw Detroit's comments, and I just lost it. So what's happening now is, again, the market is again, the market is pricing, and you guys know the market loves, again, this is why buy the hype, sell the news is so it like works so well, right? Because again, the market loves to read in advance, right? So the market is pricing in that on Wednesday, the Fed has a meeting on Tuesday, Wednesday. So the market is reading that on Wednesday, the Fed is going to confirm that they're going to be tapering. Again, what happens then is, again, your stimulus checks, and again, less support for the market, right? So, and the market doesn't seem to like that, right? So again, the market is just pricing in all that negativity. And yeah, so we're gonna see what happens. Again, I was talking to someone. No more real corrections, just fake outs. Jameson. Okay, so again, so we might just see a drop to Wednesday, and then once the news comes out, we might see a little bit of volatility, and then some recovery from there, right? So there you go. ATR to the moon, Christian. Taper tantrum, Chris. Taper tantrum. So there you go. It's wrong with Biden. Elon's. Oh, Willie, I have no idea. I have no idea. The entire market to the moon, Christian. Oh, Christian. Yeah, yeah, there you go. So, behave, please. So let's take a look at the charts here, guys. Again, well, take a look at ZIVO here, because again, ZIVO is performing really nicely there. It's again, all of these names, guys. These are not automatically buys, right? So you're not just going out there and buying these names right away. You're giving it a little bit of time to settle, right? So with the market being the way it is today, guys, well, guess what happens? So yeah, guess what happens here? So when again, for example, take a look at ZIVO there. When someone wakes up and they're holding ZIVO and it's up 100%, and they take a look, you're looking around you, like, oh my goodness, there are like flames everywhere, I can see like blood everywhere, my stock is up 100%. You know what though, I just want to get rid of this rubbish because like everything else is crashing. Right, so I'm gonna sell mine too. So again, if you go ahead and jump into any of these places right at the open there, you could end up holding a serious bag, right? So be careful out there, guys, be careful, be careful. So let's move on here to the chart. um we have like 9 minutes left, so a little bit of time. I need to clock out already. Green. Yes, yes, yes. OCGN. Let's see here. We okay. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. So let's move on here to the man. Oh man. Where's my chart? My charts. So BBIG, guys, again, down around 6% here. We know we have that support at $7. They were forming a pre-market double bottom here around like seven. Again, just around this range here. So as you can see, though, we have that resistance as well at 730 that we're currently failing at. So that's going to be a level to watch there, and then 750, and then obviously like 790 again, right? So those just some levels to pay attention to there, guys. And then I'm going to switch over to the daily chart here. You know what? I might just add up the S&P here so we can, from time to time, we can take a look. So, again, so I'm gonna leave up the S&P here. Yeah. So again, S&P, nice retracement here again. So the reason I'm hesitating to tell anyone to like just dump and run is because again, I can clearly tell that the S&P is gonna like again, even though we're dropping here hard, like we're coming up to some support around this range here, right? So again, like 435 here might hold nicely again. As you can see, that last drop here, we held right again. We held that level and nice little bounce there. So again, are we gonna be holding around this range here? Or do we drop all the way down to 132 for another level of support here, right? So again, there you go. And then 120 to 428. Why do I keep saying one? So 435, 432, 428. There's some levels to pay attention to. Again, it's maybe this level right there, right? So again, initially resistance here. This level might be a level to pay attention to, and yeah, some there you go. Again, gap downs, guys, are usually for buying, right? So gap downs usually for buying. So let's see what happens here. Again, let's see if the S&P here initially bounces when the market opens, and everything else follows with it, right? So again, what else do I want to take a look at here? I'm going to take a look at AMC here. What time is it? 7 minutes. Whew. 7 minutes. Absolute mess here. 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, so we're opening up again, just as you can see, EMC is opening up just again just above this level of support at 41 71 here, right? So again, for me though, the most important level that I'm going to be paying attention to is that $40 level here. If we break below $40 there, then it gets a little bit scary there, right? So again, this thing needs to hold about $40 here. Again, it's always really concerning, guys, when you're holding something and it's the only thing that's dropping, right? It's the only ticket that's dropping. In this case, it's a little bit different if you're holding anything, because again, it's the entire market dropping, right? So that doesn't feel as bad. Right, so the lovely Beth AMC loved me last week, Christian. There you go. Feeling better, Robert? Yeah. Explore Forex today, Mono. Mono's gonna explore Forex, guys. People are now transitioning to something else. Crypto is crashing. The market is crashing. We're transitioning. Alexander, good morning, Amber. Good morning, Amber. La, la, la. Let's see. You're scared to look, Amber? Oh no. Flames. I mean, the flames everywhere. I'm just catching up to the comments here now. The flames everywhere, guys. Flames. But it's okay. You know the cue the emoji, cue the gif. So why is BTBT crashing, Christian? What do you mean? Why is BTBT crashing? What do you mean? What do you mean? Why is BTBT crashing? Is everything not crashing, Christian? Is crypto not crashing? There you go. So let's move on here. So what else do I want to take a look at here? I want to take a look at 5 minutes left. So I want to take a look at ZIVO here. Again, ZIVO is another one that's performing well this morning. So ZIVO, and then we have EDSA here. So I'm going to take a look at these two next. So ZIVO, again, I'm sure there's something else going on here that I can't seem to find yet. September the 20th here, ZIVO. Again, so still nothing here, guys. Still not a reason why these guys are up 100%. if you see anything for these guys, let me know. But we can take a look at ZIVO there, and then Ed says the next one we're gonna look at, guys. Again, so all these names are on the list of things to look at. So again, ZIVO, and then we have EDSA. After the company reported mid-stage data on EB oh 05 monoclonal antibody candidate for okay, let me skip that. And then we have VSTM. Their shares surged at 23% after the company formed a clinical collaboration with Amgen for VS6766 in combination with sotorasib in patients with non-cell lung cancer. And then these guys here extending. Okay, cool, whatever. So again, I just like looking at the charts, guys. I like looking at the charts here because of all, like, again, it seems like we're opening up around $6 here, right? So again, what do we say about gap ups, guys? Again, gap ups are usually for selling. In this case, again, as you can see, what happened here again, take, like, what's this? Like, what's ZIVO doing here, guys? What's this thing doing here? So there something obviously happened here. Right. So they must have missed something. Again, these guys are like, look at this. Uh, I bet you I know why. These guys are most likely like a $2 float thing. So okay, yeah, it's a super small low float here, 6 million shares. So again, it seems like it's going to be something to pay attention to, but just be careful, right? Again, it's a low float. Volume is coming in. The reason why you see so many wicks here, guys, again, barcodes here, whatever you want to call them, is because again, take a look at the volume, right? Again, before today, right, volume was 60,000 shares a day, 6 million float. So again, obviously they're getting a lot more volume here today, right? Oh, there was a split there. There was a split. Okay, interesting there. Okay, cool. There was a split. Interesting. But yeah, so again, these guys haven't been around for that long, right? But it seems that we kind of have support around like $6 here. Again, in it before the drop, there was some type of support around $6 here, and this morning it seems like we're trying to open up just below that level. So again, as we're opening up below this level, we want to be very cautious, right? Again, gap up, sell off, right? So again, let me zoom in here so you can see that more clearly here. Again, huge gap and sell off, huge gap and sell off. So as we're gapping up to that level again, you want to be very careful. There's some 2 minutes here. I want to take a look at one more here. So EDSA is another one here that's having a nice gap up because I already forgot, guys. Again, same issue here though, right, guys? Again, take a look at this. Well, again, these guys haven't been around for that long, have they? They've been around, but again, look at the issue here. There, right? Again, every time we gap up to this level, guys, it's a sell off. 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 Right? Again, so as we're gapping up to this level, guys, be cautious here. It's 60%. So you want to be a little bit careful here on EDSA as well, right? So just be a little bit careful there. Yeah, some post merger. What's going with AMC and BBIG Nas? The entire market is crashing, right? So it's to turn and you're 196. Okay. Good morning, Pistina. Day. It's gonna be a red day, guys. Yeah, we'll see. Longest 5 minutes ever. Market opens in less than a minute here, guys. So I'm gonna set up my charts here for some tickers that we'll be paying attention to today, right? Again, so obviously BBIG here. So I'm gonna put up BBIG there. I don't know if I want to put up AMC here, guys. We'll see. So BBIG 1 minute time frame there again. We have support at $7 here, resistance at 730, as you can see here, right? Again, we just been playing around this range here pre market here. So I'm gonna set up two more charts here. That's BBIG there, guys. Again, this is SDC here. SDC is gapping up this morning, right? So having take a look again. So again, gap ups and the market is open, guys. The market is open, and SDC here is I'm gonna have to fix that there a little bit there. So there we go. STC, and then what else? One more ticker here. IR and T here is not one that I'm gonna be really be paying attention to here. So I feel like I want to watch the S&P here, guys, a little bit because again, it's gonna be very telling, right? So it's exactly what most of the market is following here today. So I'm gonna leave up S&P here for like 5 minutes here, guys. Again, as you can see, gap downs are usually for buying. Again, the S&P is trying to recover here a little bit, and it's right. Oh no. Oh no. Again, so I'm gonna fix that there a little bit there and then see what's happening there. And then I'm gonna put up ZIVO in a bit here, guys. I'll put up ZIVO here. ZIVO at $6. Christian, yeah, you bought some ZIVO, Christian. Okay, so you bought at the level that we said to be careful. You bought at $6. Okay, let me put up ZIVO. You know what? I'm gonna put up ZIVO here as Right. So Christian, again, you're buying right there that we said to be careful. And well, again, I hope this thing can bounce here. But as you can see, obviously, again, it's slowly retracing from your entry there, right? So there you go. So let's see if this thing can recover here, Christian. It seems like it's again the volume, right? As soon as the market opens here, the volume is just all over the place here. It's not really so pre-market volume, not really translating to the actual market here, and we're dropping a little bit there, right? So there you go. You love danger, Christian? Okay, sounds good. Well, I hope you get rewarded. But we, hi, Anna says hi. Yesterday I made 10x with a new token, and I'm still holding. Good job, nice, good job, Anna. Good job, good job. SDC is the one that's actually really performing well here today, guys. Anyone holding SDC here, guys? Anyone holding? STC. And here we go, right, Christian? There you go. Again, be careful at the open. Do not buy the open, right, Christian? Christian loves danger. So, Christian, here you go. Right, again, we showed you the daily chart like 2 seconds ago and saying, okay, every time this thing hits $6, you want to be very careful, right? So, again, I hope this thing recovers for your sake. But you are playing with some fire. 100% move, and yeah, you're buying. Yeah, there you go. Right, so there you go. And BBIG guys, again, we talked about $7 support, right, guys? Again, $7, and we're trying to bounce off that level there. Come on, bounce. Uh, SDC here, Randall. There you go, Terry. You're holding SDC as well. You bought more BBIG beard. Okay, sounds good. SDC Paul. Okay, Tal holding some SDC. Okay, for as not as bad, Mindy, as you're expecting. Okay, sounds good. And what's this? Okay, here we go, right, guys. Again, this thing is just pulling in between that range, right? BBIG here. So again, $7 support. That's another level for you to consider scaling into, right? So there you go, holding that level. And yeah, so holding 7 here support. We just need to clear 730 here, guys, because again, that's the level we've really struggled at the entire pre-market here, right? So that's the level we need to break above to push for 750, right? Again, so 730 here, 730 there pre-market, and we are approaching that level and backing off again here, right? So again, support at 7, resistance at 730 there, guys. So there you go. Come on, bounce. Come on, bounce. Needs support with 7 and 750. Okay, sounds good. Uh, Ogen, three-phase DD on COVID vaccine, Brian. Okay, sounds good. Awesome, Christian. There you go. Yeah, Christian, you're just playing with fire, there, right? You're just playing with fire. That's all I'm saying here. Again, there you go. Again, now this thing is exploding here for you, Christian, and you're excited, right? But again, you played with fire here a little bit, right? So again, there you go. And yeah, ZIVO. Come on, there you go, Christian. Waiting for the pullback. You're waiting for a pullback on what? You sold it already? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Welcome and good morning, Ajay. Good morning to you as well. First time my portfolio is all red, Rick. Wow, the first time your portfolio is all red. Interesting. Thoughts on SPY. Next, thoughts on SPY. Thoughts on SPY. The thoughts on the S&P here. Let me take a look again at the S&P here. Again, so ZIVO, again, the reason why this one's interesting, again, do you not buy the open, right? So again, if you bought the open like Christian did, you got a little bit lucky there because we sold off initially. We had a nice little sell-off here and then eventually recovered, right? So but again, the reason why this one's up here and it's interesting is because, again, guys, you guys know the stuff, right? Again, we need that volume, right? We need that news. And also we need that super low float, right? So there you go, low float volume. And yeah, I'm saying again, these guys didn't take a whole lot of time here to find support, like around like 650 here, 655, and then now recovery back above 6, and we're pushing for $7 here, right? So again, not looking too bad here, ZIVO, not looking too bad. So there you go. And SDC, no, you want to be very just provided me with lunch and dinner. There you go, good job. Whew, I'm feeling like just like heat or whatever. I don't know. Rebind ZIVO when it comes back to $6. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Made $400 on BBIG just now. Thanks, Lori. Good job, Lori. Good job again. Support ad, right? So support Lori. Yeah, you actually play like all those levels nicely, honestly. Like the way you play of these levels, or take your yeah. I know, Amber. I need to take some stuff off. Um, so the way you play it, like I like the way you play off like those support and like resistance lines, Lower. Good job. Hot flashes sounds. Hot flashes. Sounds Rona related. Rick, I know that's what it is. I know that's what it is. It's just yeah. Does anyone know what suspended means in yeah, maybe Beth, yeah, maybe someone else, maybe someone can help you, Beth. Yeah, not quite sure. Halted. Suspended means halted. Oh, for you guys. Okay, sounds good. Okay, there you go. So what's BBIG doing here, guys? Trying to break above again. We're breaking above that level at 7:30. That was the level that we really struggled at pre-market, right, guys? Again, really struggled at 7:30 here pre-market, and we're breaking above this level here now. Your next level to watch is 7:50 here. Come on, if this thing can go back to green, guys, that's gonna get really exciting here, right? So BBIG back to 7.50, back to $8. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go SDC here again, back below $7 here, right? Not quite getting that move yet. So we clearly for STC here, guys, it seems like this thing trying to find support in between like 790 here and yeah, 790 here. So I'm gonna leave that line there and 790 and it's not 790, 690, guys, 690 and 685 there. We're clearly trying to find some type of support there. So let's see if we can do that and then push back above here. So and what's this? ZIVO keeps going, guys. It's the low floats. The low float with a little bit of momentum here. Again, it's the only taker here. Wow. Oh, BBIG. BBIG, guys. Yeah, BBIG. The dip. Let's go, BBIG. Come on. Whiz. That was quite fast. There you go. Come on. Oh my goodness, we're about to go from red to green, guys. From red to green. That's if you needed a sign of strength, guys. What more do you need, right? Again, so my only concern if this thing goes back from right, if this thing goes from again goes tries to push to green and goes back below $7, that's gonna be the only warning sign for me today. So again, hopefully we can hold here today. So Mamadov, yeah, VSTM here. Yeah, we talked about that a little bit. Mamadov, yeah, some ATER is green. Wow, guys, let's go. BBIG ATER there. Okay, sounds good. There you go. So one second here, one second. I just want to quickly fix some stuff here. Uh, Command V there. Uh, One second, guys. No. I'm just fixing some stuff here. Just editing some stuff here. La. Je suis à ZIVO. There you go. There you go. And this thing's just absolutely like just killing it here today. Again, it's and 163% here now, right? So 150 as 160%, 160% there. That's quite impressive, honestly, for ZIVO here, right? So 160% here. Wow. Impressive there. So what's this doing again? As you can see, we talked about this 690 level on STC, right? So again, it seems like we're just retracing and holding this level of support here. And let's see if we can bounce back up here. So there you go. A nice little retracement here, Christian. There you go. So and BBIG, little retracement here as well. Again, today's just gonna be all over the place, guys. It's gonna be absolutely all over the place. ATR is taking off, Martin. ATR taking off. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. So I'm gonna add one more ticker here. I'm gonna take off again, maybe STC, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna take off STC here for just for a little bit again. STC is holding support here at what level, guys? Again, 690, right? So support at 690 again. This level is coming from the pre-market double bottom here at 690-ish, and we're bouncing off that same level and trying to get back to $7 here. Right? Let's see if we can do it. But I want to take a quick look at ATR here. So ATR, ATR back above 11. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. So again, at resistance at what level? We talked about that resistance at $11. We played around that level pre-market, and then finally came back and broke above that level. Right. So again, where's support though? Support at $10, 10.30 here. Right. So again, 10.30, nice little bounce there. Broke above that struggle again. Initial test failed at $11, and then came back and broke above that level. Right. So next level, guys, I think it's $13, 13 or 14. Yeah, $14. This again, the reason why the reason why the resistance level for this thing is so far out there is because for ATR here is because again this thing has some huge gaps on the chart. Again, look how explosive this thing is moving now. Some ATR guys, look how quickly this thing is flying here now. Right. Good morning, Beth. Good morning. LD is green. Okay, sounds good. Let me take a look at let's see. Stable coins. ZIVO is fighting the drop. Okay. Can you I just look Levensi. I just looked at SDC there. What would you like to know? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Paul. Good morning. Wow, guys, ATR, honestly, you're just exploding now here, right? So again, very nice bounce again. As soon as you clear $11, we're looking for the next level of resistance, can potentially all the way to $14 there, right? So again, that doesn't mean just go buy, right? Again, that doesn't mean go buy because again, after a run up like this, you want to be a little bit cautious. Even though resistance is all the way to $14, again, you're not just buying as well pumping, right? So there you go. And so there you go. And BBIG guys, again, BBIG is actually doing a very good job of again breaking above resistance, coming back and testing and holding that resistance, and we're trying to recover here a little bit, right? So again, if this thing can break above 790 here, that's going to be some amazing strength, right? So again, let's see if we can do that. ZIVO here, dropping now a little bit here. So there you go. BBIG, ACR, and I am. Did anyone buy the BBIG dip, guys? Nine by yeah. Anyone buy the BBIG dip? If you bought the dip, just type in yes. You bought the dip on BBIG at $7. Just type in yes. Good morning, Joseph. To the moon. Update Queen. I can take a look at GOCO. I have serve calls. Okay, sounds good. Green. There you go, Nas. Wait for to hit 490 Christian. Yeah. Again, there's some very good support on GOCEO, like around $5 there, right? 490, 480, $5 there. Yeah, some very good support around that level. Is yeah, Nas? Okay, sounds good. 570 there, your average. Okay, sounds good. You bought the dip. Okay, nice. Bought dip at 721. Good job, Kelly. Danny bought the dip. Wow, 702. Andrew, right? So again, guys, if you're buying the dips, again, all I'm asking from you guys is to know exactly what the plan is. So again, if you're buying the dip because you're holding for the merger and you're holding for this and this again and this long-term play, right? Okay, that's cool. That's amazing. I just want you guys to know that. But if it's a if it's supposed to be a scalp, guys, just make sure you do not go from green to red, right? Again, you don't want to let a scalp go from green to red, guys, please, right? So again, there you go. And ZIVO here, guys, just not giving up. Just not giving up, guys. So just not giving up there. So there you go. What else? What else? What else? What else? I want to quickly take a second, guys. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second and smash a like. Wow, guys, 100 likes. Come on, guys. We can do better. Come on, smash a like. If you haven't already, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel and share the link as well if you can. And yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna quickly share the link here because I haven't done that today yet. So I'm gonna quickly take a second and share the link there. So Command V there, and then mm, uh, uh, what else? What else? What else? What else? And there we go. There we go. 15 gem, 15.4, 154. Good morning, Jeremy. Mm, mm. Yeah, I'm gonna need to like just every once in a while, like just take like a few seconds. You got back in Marco. You got back into ATR at $11, 1107. Okay, nice. 1107 for Marco. Back into ATR. Okay, cool. What do we say? Okay, there you go. You're up about $1 there, Marco. Good job. Good job, good job. Waiting on another dip to add some to my BBIG position star. Okay, sounds good. You're waiting for another dip. Waiting for another dip. Smashed AMC on me. Thank you for smashing the like there. Yeah, so there you go. Speaking of AMC, guys, again, I know AMC. I haven't looked at AMC as much as we would like to. Well, that's subjective there. But again, AMC is bouncing a little bit as well, right? So again, AMC bouncing there as well. We had that support at 41.71 there. So again, bouncing nicely there. And let's see if we can continue to push here, guys. Push above $45 here. Let's see if we can do that. So ZIVO here is an absolute, just an absolute monster here, guys. It just keeps going again. You guys are starting to see something again, something very similar. You guys are starting to notice something here, right? So again, all these tickers, guys, that have news, again, news, volume, low float. What do you see them do? Again, 300%, 200% moves, right? So again, ZIVO, very interesting. Again, that's why again, when I see some of these tickers, I just have to watch them because again, they're all like, again, they do some very funny, funky business here again. Initial sell off at the open as expected, right? Again, gap ups are usually for selling. Yeah, people take profits, right? People take profits, and then we resume up the pump here, right? So again, interesting here. So there you go. And yeah, ZIVO, ZIVO, ZIVO. Andrew, where's Andrew? Andrew's been slacking. Of course, Andrew slept in. Andrew saw the market. He's like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna sleep in. Late comer. Late comer. Bought BBIG Devski. It's average down to 8 from $9 a touch. Okay, there you go. ZIVO's killing you. Good morning, Index. I hope you're feeling better. What do you think about BBIG today? Index, again, we talked about BBIG in the sense that BBIG had support at $7. We needed to hold that level again. That was again, needed to hold that level. We held $7, broke above 730, broke above 750 here. Again, we're just consolidating here above 750 resistance, right? So again, if we can continue to hold this level here, again, depending on what the rest of the market is doing, right, guys? Again, as you can clearly see, most of the names are recovering. Why? Because again, gap downs are usually for buying. Like what's more interesting now is what happens as we go into the rest of the day. The market decides to crash again here. BBIG is going to be no different, right? So again, BBIG looks fine now because again, most things look okay for now, right? So again, gap downs usually for buying. Everything recovering here a little bit. And yeah, so again, support at 750. If we can push to 790 and break above, then it might get really exciting here, right? So there you go. Some levels to BBIG there. And then ATR here, guys. Again, we are just retracing and testing and holding the 9-day EMA as we talked about, right, guys? Again, extended. Where do we come back down to, guys? The 9-day EMA. And we're trying to bounce off that level now. Trying to bounce. Trying to bounce. And ZIVO, honestly, ZIVO is is anyone still holding ZIVO? Anyone still holding ZIVO, guys? Let me know. DJ Torres, good to see you. Hello, TNT rebound them all today. TNT Kelly, okay. You bought some ZIVO at 760. Okay, sounds good. You bought at 760. Christian, Christian, you bought some ZIVO at 760. Okay, so you're basically like break even here. But the reason that's funny to me is because you bought that like as soon as you said not to FOMO. Right. My only concern here, Christian, is again like 760 as you're buying at 760 here. There seems to be an issue here at 760 for some reason. As you can see, we're unable to close above this level here yet. Right, Christian? Again, resistance, struggle there again. So if we can close above this level, okay, and then we're ready to push for $8 here. But again, for now though, we're currently struggling at that level again. It doesn't matter if we break above, we need to close above that level, right? As you can see, we're pushing above, but then coming right back below, right? So again, yeah, so we need to push above this level and hold above that level, and then okay, we're good to go there. So there you go. And yeah, so this candle has about another like 3 seconds here, Christian, and it seems like we're gonna do it. But yeah, there you go. So what I want to look at here is ATR, guys. ATR, everything is wow, everything is looking okay here. ATR looking good. BBIG, guys, almost green, guys. Oh my goodness, ATR, look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. ZIVO, Leon, you bought some ZIVO at 715. Okay, sounds good. You're selling a 775. Okay, sounds good. You love the FOMO finger. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you sold already. Okay, you're doing those very quick plays. Okay, that's a little bit different then. Okay. Manny says you got some ZIVO at seven. Okay, below $7. Okay, good. Again, just keep in mind, guys. Again, these are not plays that you want to be diamond hands on. ZIVO is not a diamond hand play, guys. It's not a diamond hand play. So again, if you're buying at $7, we don't want you guys holding. Right? Again, Some analysts and users have increased their peaceful to 27 for what? It's $27 price target for what? For what ticker? So again, yeah, I completely lost it there. So there you go. I lost my train of thought. That is. So here you go. Again, ATR guys. Again, what's the next level of resistance? All the way to $14 there, right? So it looks good. There you go. And Marco, what's your target for this play? What are you selling at Marco? You're just holding for now. You can have some sushi for lunch. How do you have money to trade? I can't be with Christian. Yeah. That's funny. No, because Christian's been shorting. Christian shorts AMC, so that's how he has some money left. Because AMC has been a good friend to him. So there you go. Do you know why it is gonna? Do you think Levency says, do you think why SDC is gonna hit $8 today? Do I think it's gonna hit it, or do I know why it's gonna hit $8 today? Again, Levency, like, are you in SDC and what's your entry? If you are, let me know. If you're on SDC, Levency, let me know. I can tell you. There you go, Christian. Yeah. Unbelievable. You know what, Boro? I just want to say, you know what, suck it. There you go. Provides you with your money, Christian. There you go. BBIG to green, guys. Let's go. BBIG is green, guys. And we're approaching 790 resistance here, right? So again, the issue with this is you wake up and you panic, right? So this is why we keep telling you, you need to have a reason as to why you're buying. Um, you need to have a reason, like when you buy stuff. You need to have a really good reason, right? So when we have drops like this, you're not panicking because, for example, let's say you woke up and saw BBIG this morning, guys. Well, guess what you're doing? You're selling at resistance, right? You're selling at resistance, and then all of a sudden we're back to green here, right? Again, BBIG. There you go. Gap downs, support levels. That's when you scale in, right? So gap downs again. People love to buy on the way up, but again, when you should be looking to buy on the way down, right? So, Christy, for some reason, Christy, he always show up like when something questionable is said. Christy, I don't know. Let's go BBIG. Yeah, BBIG needs to clear this level of resistance, guys, at 790 here, right? Again, that's the next level there to watch. So there you go. Support currently at 750, resistance at 790, right? So you guys know how important this level was last week, right? Again, for most of last week, this level was a very good, reliable support level. So it's gonna take it's gonna take a lot of it's gonna take a lot of it's gonna take a lot of volume here to break above this level and hold above that level, right? So you can see again we pushed to that level and sold off right away there, right? So yeah, just be a little bit cautious there, and yeah, so and ZIVO here, guys, again playing those games, right? So ATR dropping a little bit here, and there you go. TMC is green as well, Tim. Wow. There you go. Big funds are taking our stop losses for BBIG. Please don't FOMO. Yeah, there you go. S- and let's go for $8 index. There you go. Let's push for the eights. Push for the eights. I've been here since open. Okay, Christy. Okay, sounds good. I thought you were just showing up, Christy, and at the very questionable point. Good morning, and Anselmo Leon. Opinion on SDC again, guys? Give me some details, right? Some SDC again is again Anselmo. What's your position on SDC, and then I can answer the question for you specifically. So there you go. And guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash that like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah. So let's get to 200 likes, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like and hit that subscribe and share the link as well if you can. Let's get some more people in here, and yeah. Let's see here. Just trying to remind myself to like hydrate and stuff. It's trying to. You're so sad. Kim. My average for SDC is five again below $6, so you're good, right? Kim, or why are you sad? Oh, you lost the chance to sell like above $7 there. That nice run up. Okay, sounds good. I know. Needing coffee for this kind of market, Queen. I know. Big funds. La. Yeah, ATR is on the screen there, right? CR 27 ATR is on the screen there. It's looking very good here today. So here you go. I want to take a look at charter coin here, guys, and see what's trending here on the social media. So give me a second here. Again, in the last hour or so, STC is clearly still trending. The TMC is still trending there as well. Some IRNT they're trending on Twitter as well, and yeah, some not on Twitter, on Reddit. Sorry. So there you go. So I'm gonna take a look at Twitter here now, and on Twitter, STC is still quite a popular name on STC on yeah. So let me take a look. S&P, Tesla, Apple, SDC, BTC, PLTR. Okay, sounds good. So nothing really new that we should be paying attention to, right? Again, that's what I look for, guys. That's what I look for. Maybe I need to take a look at. Yeah, no, that's what I look for on China Coin here, and just really taking a look to see what's happening here. Uh, selling 740. Okay, there you go. There you go, Christian. Yeah, Christian, you do the type of stuff that I do, like, which is yeah. You could just chat and text if you get tired. No, yeah, yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, yeah, green. I think. Oh, yeah, yeah, green. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Jimmy, average is 713 on. Okay. I bought OPAD last week at 1550, thinking it was a dip. Oh well, wrong I was. Can you take a look, please? I'll take a look, Musty. Yeah, I'll take a look at OPAD. I'll take a look. I was waiting for SDC 650. Is it too late? Ryan, SDC. Let me take a look at SDC and the charts here, guys. Some SDC, and then I need to take a look at OPAD there as well. Okay, sounds good. So let's do some ticker requests here, guys. So again, if you need anything, any tickers you're watching and you need help with, just go ahead and put them in the chat now. So there you go. So I'm gonna switch over to the daily chart here and put up SDC here. SDC is 720 there. So again, 720 here. As you can clearly see here, we had an issue here. Just say 690, right? So again, we broke above that level there. So it looks again, SDC looks fine here. So honestly, for me, the main level here that we needed to break, guys, was $6, right? We said that multiple times. So again, six and fail, six and fail, six and fail, six and fail. So eventually, when this thing can break above 60, I'm going to clear this level here because it's not really a level there. So eventually, when this thing can clear $6 here, we're looking for a run all the way to this level here, right? So again, that's what we've done, six to $7 here, right? So again, that's going to be a level there to watch. I think I want to put that right there, 740. Yeah, so 740 would be a next level of resistance there, guys. So again, yeah, there you go. Some and then potentially support here. Yeah, I can see what you're looking at there, Ryan. Right, I can see what you're looking at there, like 660 here. Did we test that level today though? Let me take a quick look here. So 660. Not quite yet, right? So yeah, Ryan, we didn't quite have that type of retracement here, but let me take a look at the 1 minute time frame here to see on SDC here. Come on, and look, 690 there. And yeah, again, we talked about this earlier today, right? Ryan, again, the fact that this thing was building support in between like 690 here. And again, this level's come from pre-market, right? Again, support at 690, support at 690, support again at 690. Again, you're getting multiple candles that are holding at that same level there, and STC goes for a nice run there, right? So again, it's you might have missed that entry there at 690 there, and we're fast approaching a level of resistance here at 740 on STC, right? Again, so you want to be a little bit more cautious, like in between 730 and 740, right, to 750 there. You want to be a little bit careful in this range here, right? So yeah, I'd be careful there. So I just want to take a look and see what's happening. $16. Okay, cool. Again, my only concern with STC is let me take a look at the daily chart again here first before we move on. So I'm gonna have to zoom out there and do that and do that and do that. So yeah, if we can clear this level here again, if we can clear the 740 level and actually hold above this level 740, and then potentially looking for again the next level of resistance. Again, we can watch every dollar here, but we can potentially see $10 there, right? Again, if we can clear 740 here, 740, 750, we might be looking for seven. Just again, be careful as we approach this level, though, right? Be careful then. So there you go. What else? Let's go, super chat. Shout out to Still Pissed. Shout out to Still. Hope you take it easy today. Honestly, Hazel, I don't have energy for this rubbish. You know, unbelievable. I think I'm missing super chats here, guys. Hazel, I'll give you one pump. Still pissed, John. I'll give you another pump as well. Good morning to the family. My new friend Victoria. To the moon, everyone. BBIG close. Today 8:80. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, like John. Again, I see what you see, John. Right. So in terms of like the games that have been played the game that was being played last week, I can see where you came from. So there you go. So yeah, again, thank you for the super chat, Hazel. Thank you for the super chat, John. Still pissed. There you go. Can you take a look? Julie says, can you take a look at VSTM? Okay, I can take a look. I went in at three. Okay, 332. Okay, sounds good. TNT. Okay, I'll take a look at TNT as well. TMC. Super sticker from Guyen. Thank you for the super sticker. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Red to green incoming TM. Okay, sounds good. So there you go. Yeah, smash a like if you haven't already. So got in ZIVO for a scalp. Nice star. Yeah. Again, I like the I like those volatility plays sometimes, right? But yeah, you just need to be careful, right, star. But again, like you can play them nicely, especially in the morning. You can play them very nicely there. Now, guys, Lori with another super sticker, guys. Lori, thank you very much. Let's go. Thank you. Order test set. Okay, sounds good. Stop order set. Okay, sounds good. Storm. Thank you very much, Lori. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So what else was I supposed to look at here, guys? Short-term memory today. Let's see. So I wanted to take a look at VSTM here. So VSTM here for Julie. And we talk. You say in at three. You're in at 332 here. Um. mhm, Yeah, Julie, like only concern again, I know these guys have some news here this morning, right? So again, it's again they have that collaboration there with Amgen, right? To work on the lung cancer whatever, right? Again, so this year, right? So again, so looking at the chart here though, you're buying at a very again, you're buying at a very again just a very tricky level here after a nice run up, right? So you might be okay here, right? You might be okay, but again, you're buying on a very nice run up here, so that's the only concern. It's like it's a lot easier to buy like as we're consolidating here, right? Again, nice drop consolidation here. We're starting to get some green momentum come in here, and then all of a sudden explosion. Even though this news, it always seems like a coincidence, but again, I bet you these guys these guys look at the chart and they're like, okay, can we drop the news now? Again, we're not gonna drop the news here, right? Again, we're gonna let it consolidate, and then we start again. People start getting excited here, and then all of a sudden we drop some news, right? Again, so let me take a look at the 1 minute, Julie, just to see what's going on here for you. But yeah, so uh you are yeah, I mean, like you're buying yeah, yeah. So it's a tough level like you're buying at, even though like there's some very good news. And let me take a look at the float and everything else. The volume is okay there. Wow. Oh my goodness. So 200 million again. This one's not exactly. It's not exactly like a super low float, right? Almost 200 million shares here. So not exactly like one of those flyers, right? So again, so Julie, why did you buy this? Are you buying it for a quick move, or yeah, it's looking strong today, right? Okay, sounds good. BBIG, what's going on, Fabian? What's going on? What do you mean? What's going on? Oh, yeah, I need to take a look at OPAD. OPAD, did I look at? Yeah, I need to take a look at OPAD then. Some OPAD. He bought the dip and it just kept dipping. Where's OPAD? La, la. So he bought it. I know someone bought at $15 here, right? So OPAD at $15 here. So let me take a look at the daily there. Yeah, again, we talked about OPED, right? In the sense that if you buy stuff like this, guys, you want to make sure you're having a stop loss. Like you want to make sure again, like when you buy, you want to make sure your stop loss, like you have a stop loss, right, guys? Again, why? Because this thing is a pump and dump always, right? Again, like again, look at this chart. There's like nothing, 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 and then drop and then pump, right? And then another pump here, and then gains are gone, and then another pump here again, and then we're dumping again here, right? So even though OPED is trying to recover here a little bit on this candle here, right? So again open and we're trying to recover here, you want to be very careful with names like this. Honestly, it's just like yeah, it's just yeah, there's not a whole lot of information here, but you want to be this thing can give you a lot of gains, but you want to be very careful. It's a pump and dump, right? So you want to just be careful there, guys. So there you go. Yeah. I know I needed to take a look at TNT there. So TNT, I'll take a look at TNT. TNT. Let's see here. I'm gonna switch these scanners here as well. There. Yeah, I'm just like just slow. Like with so Kelly, you're in this name here. Are you in this ticker, Kelly? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. La la la. Honestly, like when I look at this, Kelly, like it doesn't look too bad to me. I can clearly see that we have support of like just around $8 here, right? Again, like 793 here, right? So that's where again almost at that previous top there, we're just retracing and holding that level and bouncing off that level again. So this thing is it doesn't look too bad here to me, right? So until we start breaking below this like $8 level here, it's fine here to me. So obviously we're gonna have a level to watch at $10, right? So I think for me for now the range is like in between like $10 and $8 here, right? Again, just let me see here, Kelly. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Let me see what you're saying. What's up, D-Rock? Hello. Good morning, Opeyemi. Good morning. Bitcoin meetup. Hello, Hot Trades fam. Hello, Bitcoin meetup. And was former. Oh yeah. PKKFF. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good, Kelly. Okay. Everything almost squeezing down, Robert. Squeezing down. Yeah. Randy says take a look at CYBL. CYBL for Randy. 1 second there. I'm sure I've looked at this before, so it should be somewhere in the list here, Randy. So yeah, this one's well. Okay, so this one's up what 30% here today, but there's a reason for that. It's a super small, like it's a penny stock, right? So this thing tends to ignore the market, but it seems like we looked at this last week as well, and it seems to begin. It seems to finally be breaking above this level of resistance at this level, right? Randy, right? So again, we finally broke above this level, and now we're getting that nice move up here, right? So yeah, it looks good to me. So yeah, honestly, not sure what else to tell you. I'm sure you're in this name already, but it looks good. It looks very good here. So finally breaking above resistance, right? So and then you know what comes after that. So there you go. It's popping. IRNT is popping. BTC is recovering. FinTech play in China. Okay, sounds good. Any info? Levi says any info on SOS. No, I did not. No more. No new info from me from for SOS. So there you go. Unless you need me to take a look at the chart, Levi, let me know. But other than that, I'm not quite sure what you're asking for. So, Ong says TNT is going to explode. Wow, Ong, let's go. TNT is going to explode. Interesting. Let me take a look at the chart here. Again, this is not the first time that Kelly's mentioning this play here, right? So for this play again, initially a different ticker. 1 second. Nah, nah. Yeah, so again, I'd be watching $10, right? This thing can find a way to break above 10 again. It might get really exciting. So 10, and then we have resistance at 11 there. All right, it seems like every dollar here, Kelly, seems to be a level to watch. So there you go. Yeah. EDSA, please. Is it a good entry right now? Eden, I can take a look at EDSA. Many buying the dip. Here you go. Again, the dips for buying, right, guys? Dips for buying. So there you go. Again, at least for scaling in, right? Some the dips are where you make your money. So again, we dip, you scale in, and then we recover, and then you're happy, right? So EDSA here should be on the list already. So I don't know why I'm looking that up. So EDSA right there. So a daily chart for EDSA, is that a good entry right now? Eden, right? It's when I think again, I just like to zoom out of the chart here and then take a look at the candle. Says like, oh, that's a pump and dump. Oh no, that's a pump and dump. Oh, like that's a pump and that's a dump. Like look at the lines. Like look at the charts, guys. Just look at all these candles. Like pump, dump, right? Pump, dump. Right. So when you see this candle here, what do you expect that's coming next, guys? Right? Again, so let me zoom in here a little bit more, right? Eden. So take a look again. Green. Very next day gap down. Well, nice green candle here. Very next day gap down. Again, we played around this range here, but eventually gap down. Again, nice solid candle here. Guess what? Next day gap down, right? Again, so played around this range here. Next, well, down again as well. So again, you want to just be a little bit careful, right? Again, massive candle here. Well, guess what? Next day down, massive. Well, guess what? Right again, and then that's what I'm. Yeah. So just be careful here when you are. For stuff like this, right? Just be careful for them. Again, if it's a nice little scalp, that's a different question, right? That's a different question there. But yeah, just be careful. S&P, nice break. Okay, sounds good. S&P. What's up, DD? What's up? What's up? Are you feeling better? A little bit, Queen. Little bit. AMC is going to squeezing. Mustafa's as AMC is going to squeezing. No. Uh, Mrs. Democrats. For your support, trade hard trades, I retweet this. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, again, I'm not quite sure what happened, right? So, Bulldog is right. So Bulldog is yeah, Bulldog got taken down. So the channel, right? So quite a few channels getting to they're taking not quite sure what's going on there, guys. Honestly, no idea. But yeah, if I can support in any way, right? Bitcoin meetup, yeah, absolutely. Why not? Smash the like button. Yeah, okay. Thank you for smashing the like. Thank you. Listening to you, feel like listening to you, I feel like I'm getting sick. Tim, I know, like my voice is just not there. A little is not a bit better than not all good. There you go, right, Queen? Yeah. Tim, Tim says I feel like I'm getting sick listening to you. Oh yeah, no, yeah, Bulldog, yeah, Queen, yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, yeah, Bulldog, so yeah, another channel, another YouTube channel there with yeah, so they got taken down. Not quite sure if it's just like I don't know what's going. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, STC is back below. Yeah, again, we talked about being careful in STC there, right, Kathy? Right? And Alex back on the $7. Yeah, be careful on STC as we approach. Like again, that thing for me, my only concern on this name, guys, is the float. Like I don't know, I like the small floats, guys. So again, we're currently chilling around like $7 here now. Again, let's see if we can build new support about around $7. All right, so uh, let's see if we can build new support around $7 here. But you want to be careful, right, guys? Again, as we approach this level here, as you can see, 740 there is what we hit here, and we're backing off right again. So you want to be cautious as we approach that level of resistance. Yeah, try not to form around 740, 750 there, guys. So because you could end up you can be in some real trouble, guys. Again, initially support, right? So again, support, and then resistance. So yeah, be careful there. So there you go. Too much all times. Yeah, getting happy on OPAD. Holders are getting happy. OPADs is doing good. Okay, sounds good. They got taken down. Yeah. I have no idea why. Star Queen. I have no idea why they got taken down. I have no idea. So yeah, Beth. Yeah, I have no idea what happened there. So hopefully it gets resolved. But yeah, I have no idea. So that would be very annoying. I don't know. Sake of you go away for like 2 minutes. Jameson, I know. With a stick, just cause. Mm. Oh, NFL stuff. Green. Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm sure YouTube will let them know why, but I have no idea. In Adam says insider trading. But many continues 24 hours has been. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. So yeah, Leonard. Yeah, that's yeah. I don't know. What's up, Fabian? What's up? What's up? Just talk about NFL. Not sure. I was watching it yesterday. Okay, sounds good. Green. Sounds good. Just sit it out. Yeah, I agree. I agree. So let's move on here, guys. Let's go back here to what else? Oh wow, yeah, OPAD trying to recover there, guys. Let's go OPAD. Yeah, again, it's just be right. This thing can make you a lot of gains, but again, if you're getting into these positions, guys, you want to be very aware. So I'm gonna switch these candles here. No, good. You want to be very aware that again, this thing does it all. It does this all the time, right? Again, pump and flush, right? You want to make sure you at least have a stop loss in mind. You're not just buying and hoping, right? And ZIVO is still yeah, there you go, Queen, star, right? There you go, a little bit of green for you there. TNT still sitting there flat there ish, flattish. STC still holding there. Fuse not doing a whole lot there. Roots still sitting at $6. CCJ reds, right? GOCO guys, again as we approach $5 there, that might be a nice little level there. TMC slightly green there. Blue, well, okay, cool. Right. Again, just a whole lot of red, guys. Just red. Everywhere it's red, right? Everywhere, entire market, redness. It's redness Monday, guys. So again, expectation might be again if you're not quite sure what's happening with the market, just go ahead and ask, right? So again, the Fed has their meeting there on Wednesday, right? So there you go. Tuesday, Wednesday Fed meeting. So again, the market is pricing in the negativity, right? The fact that the Fed is saying they're going to be tapering, right? They're going to be tapering the spending into the end of the year. So yeah, that's affecting the market. Again, the market is reacting to that, right? And also, I'm gonna have to show you guys that chart in a bit here, but I want to put up BBIG here before I do that. So BBIG again, just yeah, just doing that. So ATR still just chilling there, and then yeah, and whoa, what's happening here? What just happened here? I thought this thing ZIVO is green here. Wow, again ZIVO. There you go. I'm not sure if you guys are out already, Star, or if your stop loss kicks you out. Yeah, VIX is up 25%. Yeah, if you had the VIX, guys, you'd be very happy. There you go. Again, what I wanted to show you guys is this, guys. Again, take a look at end of September, guys, going to October. There, what happens? We usually have a nice, like, drastic drop there, right? So there you go, and that's what's happening here, guys. Again, usually when we go into again, this might just be half of it, right? Usually going to September, guys, we usually struggle a little bit. The market struggles a little bit and then recovers, and then we go again, right? So maybe that's just what's happening here. So September into October struggle, and then we have that Santa Claus rally, right? There you go, just market cycles, guys. Uh, End of the week. Please show the moon, guys, the moon. Let me see if I can find the moon here. The moon, that the moon to the moon, to the moon, guys, to the moon we go. Ah. Risky Zivo for me, 1000 sold at 780. Then right after crash, Brett's good job, Brett. Right again, that's how you're supposed to do with those plays. Again, these plays, guys, those are not dominant plays. Like plays like Zivo here, guys. This is not a dominant play. Plays that are up to 100%, 200%, 100%. Yeah, those are not dominant plays, guys. Those are plays that when you get in, you don't go red, because if you go red, you're asking for trouble. Because again, it might take a while for this thing to come back up. Right again, pump and dump. Right, so there you go. So be careful there. Be careful again. This thing might easily recover back above 7, but you want to be just cautious. The ATR, guys, again, next level resistance. Again, the fact that this thing is back above $11 is very nice, is impressive. I like that. Right, again, $11, very good. So there you go. What for $14 here next? 14. You're selling at 7? Okay, sounds good. It's a Cleveland, Detroit guy. When bus ticket to Cleveland. Should I sell BBIG? Ivan, why? Like, why do you want to sell BBIG? Let me know. Are you like give me some details, right, Ivan? What makes you want to like? Why do you want to sell? Are you in profits and you want to take profits? Are you just tired of it? You want to sell? Like, what's your reason? What's your reason? AMC double bottom, possible, Adam? AMC double bottom. Let me take a look at AMC here. So, when you say double bottom, is I mean it's not exactly the best sounding thing there, but let me see here. What's AMC looking like this? I'm gonna take off ZIVO here for a little bit and put up AMC here. Now, possible, right? I can see where you're looking at them. I can see where you're looking at them, Adam, right? So 42, like 42.30 ish here, 42.35. Yeah, I can see where you're looking at them. Yeah. Did we test this level this morning? Yeah, we tested this level 41.71 that we talked about, right? Again, support at 41.71 here. We came back and tested the level and held really nicely there, and nice little bounce there all the way to what? Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Again, gap downs are usually for buying, guys, right? On huge red days, like that initial gap down, right? The drop is usually for buying. But again, the issue as we go into the rest of the day here is again the negativity might just again as soon as we bounce, the negativity when people look around and everything is dropping and they have a nice little profit here, they might start selling back and then we resume lower, right? So again, that's the only concern here with AMC. So it was Zivo. It's back to Zivo. Back to ZIVO as ATR here, guys, is looking very good. ATR might be the runner here today. Next level resistance 740. Jeffrey 740 is the next level to watch. So if you take a look at the daily chart, you're gonna notice that multiple tests and fell at 740 there. So, uh, BBIG holding this week. Let me see, Greg. So Greg says holding this week. 750. I'm ready to sell next week. Call. Okay, sounds good. Greg, sounds good. Unbelievable, Queen. Unbelievable. And so my first crypto ATM as hot slot. Sloth. Okay. First crypto ATM. Okay, cool. Driving Reese to school. He says hi. Hi, Reese. Have a wonderful day, Reese. Have a good day at school. Do you have do you have a favorite Fang stock? You mean like the Fang? Uh, what's the E for? I'm thinking like the E is something else now. Musty, like is it like the Fang stocks? Like you mean like Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Google? Is that what you're asking for, or is that something else? Is the E for something else? What's up? Yeah, Artemis. Stay strong, BBIG. Yeah. Again, my only concern of yeah, okay, Fang. Okay. I like Apple. I like Apple most team. I like Apple. Ah la la. Man, oh man. Mondays. AMC. I thought AMC was an amazing option scalp last time a month ago. Missed. Okay, sounds good. Right. What's up, Remedy? What's up? FD face drive. Bona. Let me know. Like, let me know what your position is. Bona. I can take a look. We looked at that last week. So you caught it at 98 cents. Okay, sounds good. Let me take a look at FD here. So. I know we looked at that ticker last week. Oh, wow, wow. That's an amazing entry. I mean, like that's very good, right? So face drive, you're in at a very good position. I mean, like just yeah, that's a very good position, right, Bona? So just find a level you're happy with, and then yeah. So we need you talking about SEC. We got a lot of it. Zach, who's we? We need you to talk about who's we, Zach. Again, we've talked about SEC quite a bit, right? So Pooped. Want to get back in for more? Okay, sounds good. About to hit 11. These are all sales to load up. And yeah, Anthony. Yeah, there you go. It will have a strong rebound today. A low. Okay, sounds good. Kelly, sounds good. There you go. Looking to do some momentum trading on what does the chart say? Okay, sounds good. Let me take a look. It's on stock tweets and YouTube saying this the squeeze isn't happening as of recent. Anything behind that, or what do you think? Again, like bread. So whenever I'll come back to that question later. Here, I want to take a look at. I'll take a look at CRV. I see it before I come back to that question. There, so it keeps going. Damn, yeah, the VIX is going because again the market is dropping. Ramos team again. Yeah, it's expected to run up, right? So the VIX, yeah, that's not even a surprise there. So when the market struggles, the VIX is going to do very well. So there you go. That's what it's supposed to be, right? Just an inverse of the market there. Again, just a short, right? So there you go. ATR, looking very good. So let me take a look here at let me take a look at CRSV here. CRSV. That's not it. That's CRVS. CRVS. CRVS, Corvus. Daily chart here. You plan to do some momentum plays on the sticker here. Um, Detroit. Hmm. Ha ha ha. I mean, it seems like a momentum play there, right? Again, that's nice that you clarified like what it is. Right, so I'm gonna switch these candies here quickly here just to see what's going on here. I can see there's a gap there to fill all the way back down here. Right, some nice gap up there, and then continuation. You want him. The only concern here is again if it's a momentum play, you're scalping like in minutes or 5 minutes or whatever, like momentum plays. Okay, that's a little bit different. But if you're holding for a little bit longer here, you want to be careful because now again it's looking a little bit weak here, and also we're double topping here, right? So like, we're feeling at the same level here, like 550-ish here. We're feeling at this level here twice, right? Detroit. So you want to be a little bit careful. If this thing can start breaking back above 550 here, and then momentum is going to return, right? You want to be careful again. Why? Because again, this thing again, Friday struggled. And then today we're just chilling around again. We're pushing to that same level ish, and we're backing off. We're not quite breaking above that previous high there. It's a lower high here, right? Again, so if we start breaking above 550 here again, momentum might return here, FOMO might return, but just be a little bit cautious here, right? So let me take a look maybe at the 5 minute here. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. So yeah. So what else? I wanted to take a look at something else. So Brett says, I've seen a lot of BBIG bears on stock tweets and YouTube are saying, the squeeze isn't happening as of recent. Anything behind that? So would I would think not. Again, so when someone gives you a reason, when someone tells you stuff like that, right? So you need to ask yourself again. You can't just take like blanket statements like that and run with, right, Brett? So you need to ask yourself, okay, like what's the reason? Like why are they saying stuff like that? And does that reason make any sense to you? And if it does, okay, cool. There you go, right? So is it PC getting? Okay, never mind. So again, you need to understand again, you need to see like why they're saying the stuff they're saying and then go from there, right? So and yeah, absolutely Detroit. Yeah, some and then yeah. Again, you guys know we've been preaching this over and over and over and over just because of what's happened at AMC. AMC dropping from 70 all the way to $30 and SPRT dropping from wherever it's dropped to let's say zero, right? So again, again, we've been saying over and over and over, guys. Again, your decision should not be based on squeezes, right? Because again, you cannot control a squeeze. You don't know when a squeeze is coming, right? So you need to buy the dip and you need to have a stop loss just in case random stuff happens that's out of your control. You're protected, right? So again, we keep saying that all the time, right, Brett? So again, forget about the squeeze, right? So again, if you're buying BBIG, if you're buying the dip, make sure you have a plan, make sure you have a stop loss, right? So you're not focusing on stuff that you yeah. Let's go, Casey Lou. Casey, let's go. Good to see you. Whether we are hot or not, let's go. Yeah. Good morning, Edgar. Good to see you. And good morning to the. If you guys already covered, but Bulldog's channel, it's gone. Yeah, again, C and G. I have no idea. So the Bulldog was removed. So I don't know what happened. So now I went now for getting a position. Take about the red days and the companies you research. Exactly, Queen. Exactly. That's what you're looking for, right, guys? Again, dips are 977, Kelly. Nice, good job. Yeah, again, if that thing can clear above $7, Kelly, yeah, and then it looks really exciting, right? So, good morning, John. Good morning, guys. Well, yeah, I don't know what happened to Bulldog's channel, guys. Again, just suspended, removed. I don't know what happened. So, I'm sure they'll get it figured out, right? So, hopefully. So, there you go. I'm taking entry on the $5. Detroit. Okay, sounds good. There you go. I'm staring down the next week's 850 calls, 80 cents. Greg, yeah, I bet you you're not alone. You're not alone. Again, like my suggestion, Greg, would be to scaling, right? So scaling just in case we break below $7 because we do, and then it looks very questionable, right? So yeah, yeah, Marco, yeah, yeah, got put down, yeah, yeah. I have no idea what happened there. So I'm sure. I hope they can at least give them a reason, or like just reinstate. I don't know. We'll find out soon, I guess. Yeah. So, red days or red faces? Red days or red faces? Let's move on here, guys. Uh, Craig SPRT decline. Absolutely. Absolutely. SDC here, guys. Again, back below $7, right? You want to be just again. You want to be careful on SDC, guys. At what level? At this level here, right? So, I'm going to switch those candles there as well. There. So again, every time we approach this level, guys, 740. You want to be careful. 740. You want to be careful. 740, guys. Be a little bit cautious there, right? So there you go. And yeah, there you go. Okay. By JCS, can you please tell me the support and resistance, Bonnie? Okay, sounds good. JCS. So JCS is communication systems that we looked at this one, right, Bonnie, not too long ago. So it seems like your support was right at $8, right? Bonnie, so nice push all the way to 10, almost 10. Came back down and found support around $8, and now we're bouncing here. In terms of like, yeah, $8 might have been like your level to watch. $8, right? Yeah, yeah, honestly, with like when I see stuff like this, right, so $8 there, broke above and run there. Okay, cool. So when I see candles like this, Bonnie, like then like when I'm looking for entries, I want perfection. Why? Because again, I can only see that there's some warning signs here, right? So and then again, so yeah, $8 might have been like your level there, right? So but for now though, since we're approaching like $9 here, watch for if we can break above like resistance at $9. If we can break above that level and build new support above that level, then it might look a little bit better there, right? Bonnie, so again, watch $8. Watch eight. You know what? I want to look at something here first. CRWD. Okay, never mind. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, nope. Never mind. Workhorse Collective. I'll take a look. What I if I haven't a free BBIG. Uh, uh, what is the best for day trading between trends? Frantics one says, what is the best for day trading between trends, candles on indicators? For day trading, I think trends, right? Again, I think trends between candles, indicators, and between trends in candles and indicators there. Again, like for me, when you ask me about stuff like that, always again, so every single thing, like it doesn't matter what it is, like trends, candles, indicators, DD, news, every single one of those things is a tool in the toolbox. And when you make decisions, it doesn't matter, is it a day trade, is it a long-term position, you always want to be using every single one of those. Again, it's almost like you have a tool full of toolboxes. You have a toolbox full of tools, and when you make a decision, you're trying to make sure that every like one again multiple of those things line up, and then you can go from there, right? So but again, when you take a look at trends in the last bit here, they've been quite important, right? Again, like short squeeze, the short squeeze, when you take a when you take a look at positions that are being like heavily shorted, that's been a trend in the last month, right? Again, so when it comes to day trades, that's very important, right? So that's very, very important. And yeah, some momentum, right? So what I'm trying to say is momentum, right? Frantic. So there you go. ZIVO is the best. On day runners, I don't say trades, but volume always spikes above average on day runners, Greg. Yeah, should drop today. Today is the day we explode. Hopefully, Ivan. Absolutely, Francis. Absolutely. So you want to be using a whole bunch of things in yeah. There you go. So yeah, if you haven't smashed the like yet, guys, take a second, smash that like, hit that subscribe, share the link, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's move on here. I know there was something else I wanted to take a look at, but I'm just completely forgetting here. So there you go. So I'm gonna go back here to BBIG here, guys. So there you go. BBIG. AMC back below 40. Wow, wow, guys. Yeah, again, that's the issue with AMC here, right, guys? Again, that's the issue, right? So we're basically back down to this support now, right? So again, the issue is gap down. So we're again like gap downs again, that's a huge sell up there, right? Gap downs are usually for buying, right? Again, we get that initial buy, but then again, like I mentioned earlier, when people wake up, right, and AMC's recovering here, and they buy the dip, and they take a look around and they look at the rest of the list, guys, it's like, oh my goodness, like look at the list, like it's red, red, red everywhere, and I'm seeing some nice little recovery on AMC. You know what, I'm gonna take my profits, right? And guess what happens, we retrace back all the way down here, right? So we're currently trying to bounce again. We're trying to form a double bottom here, guys, on AMC. At this level, we have 41.71, right? Again, some very good support here, 41.71 on AMC. So let's see if we can bounce off this level and start to recover here. So let's see. Again, just a whole lot of red today, guys. So again, long-term positions. When you've done your research, like Star said, not Star, like Queen said, right? So when you've done your research, on some of these plays, like these are the times for this is the time for you to scale in on some of the plays that you've done some immerse some research on, right? Like some plays that you like long term, again, scale in on the red, right? So some has a double top. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Pure FX man. No, 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 no. Let's move on. I'm just quickly browsing some other rubbish here, guys. Give me a second. There we go. So back to BBIG here, guys. So BBIG support at 730, right? Support at 730, resistance at 750, and then obviously we have that level, a very strong level at 790 there. So I'm going to put up the other charts here as well. Some two more charts. So BBIG ATR here. ATR still looks very good, guys. And then ZIVO here, guys. Wow, wow, wow. ZIVO. 790. Okay, seventh coin sitting at 740 here, and resistance at 760-ish here. So there you go. 760. So that's your next level to watch there. 760 and then 790, of course. And then yeah. I know people are dumping MC because it Doge has a payment. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. That's very interesting here. So yeah. Check out Roots. This will be the next big short squeeze. Float is low and short interest is 28%. Yeah, Philip, we looked at Roots. Yeah. So again, what I'm looking for, Philip, what I'm looking for again, like Root is one that I'm keeping a very close eye on. But again, like like Philip, like momentum is very important, right? So once I see momentum start to pick up on that name there, and we start to get a little bit of green, Philip, yeah, and then that's gonna be one to keep to buy, right? So yeah, there you go. But for now though, it's still just playing games, right? So yeah. And if you take a look, you're always gonna notice that before these names pop, it's never really a surprise. There's usually a lot of like social media chatter, right? So social media talk going on, and then you can see that momentum go. You can see it start to go to green a little bit, right? So, George says, "What's happening with Clove? Clove is Christian says Clove is the best. Rubbish. There you go. You love it, Sam? You don't like what? You love what? SDC, 680 for SDC. Yeah, like 680, like 680, 690 there, star. Like that's your support for SDC there, right? So again, I'd be just be patient, careful with that name there, though. Thoughts on any? What's any sitting at, Kevin? What's any sitting at them? I'll take a look. I just need a. Yeah, there you go. Correct. My stance on close short term is rubbish. It's a good play around $8 there, right? Long term play, long term. Long term I like it. Right, long term it's okay. Right, so but short term, rubbish, absolute rubbish. Okay, Kevin. Okay, 5,583 there. Okay, yeah. I mean, this. I think we talked about this last week as well, Kevin. That's when, if you take a look at the chart, that's when that second bounce came from like 580 all the way to 750 there, right? So yeah, some support around that range. There's 580 there. About to hit BTBT is about to hit the eights. Wow. Uh-huh. Now is a great time. What's the ticker of for rubbish? Oh yeah, Trey. The ticker for rubbish is CLOV. Trey. Man, oh man. Detroit. There you go, Detroit. There's your ticker symbol. No. Like I really want to like be able to like do like stream like go all day. We'll see how long I can go for. Because again, I can see some like rubbish happening at the end of the day. I can see some tickers like just absolutely waking up after lunch and running into the close here. So that's what I'm really well, we'll see what happens, guys. We might take a break. We might take a break and then come back at the end of the day or something, right? Come back for the last 2 hours, right? We might take a break for lunch and then come back for the last 2 hours. Right? We'll see what happens. She's not feeling 100% yet, so we'll see. Thank you very much, Sam. Thank you. Yeah, Liz, you need rest. Yeah, I know. It's like it's for me like it's the like it's the shortness of breath. Like that's what's like, it seems like they're just like, yeah, no pressure. Yeah, no. Mm, thank you, Beth. Thank you. Today sucks. I mean, there's some people that are making some very nice gains, right? So it's very relative, right? So people are happy about the dip. Some people are very happy about buying BBIG, right? So below at $7. So mm, I know, cool. I know. I know. Ticker for trash is auto trash. Detroit. Detroit, you're pretty fun. You're pretty fun member, Detroit. Um, what's the? Did I miss? Yeah, Eric. Yeah, I think so, Eric. I think so. Just hold Wednesday the mark. I know. Funny. Yeah, Megan. That's what I'm thinking. Is I just hold Wednesday the market will recover. That's what I'm thinking to you, right? So again, the Fed, we talked about this multiple times already, right? The market usually reads stuff in advance. So the Fed has said that they're planning on tapering at the end of the year, and they're having a meeting here Tuesday, Wednesday, and they're gonna do the announcement on Wednesday, right? So the market is most likely pricing in all the negativity, and by Wednesday, we might just start to see that recovery, right? So yeah, Queen. Whoop. Oh, Sam, thank you, Sam. Thank you. We love you too. Any speculate? John Paul says any speculation on BBIG proxy release? Let me take a look. So you already proxy release there. Um, so I know this is the calendar, right? So we talked about what September the 22nd there. That's actually, did we I'm just feeling so exhausted to look. Did we actually get any proxy news? I know we were supposed to get some proxy news last week there, right? So on BBIG, I don't think we actually got anything, right, guys? I'm gonna have to take a look at the SDC side there for the filings there to see if there's actually anything new. Otherwise, we're just waiting for the 22nd here, right? So but yeah, so we'll see. Interesting. So I'll take a look. I'll take a look at the side there, guys. Uh, thank you, Sam. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. We got anything on the 15? Yeah, no, Jean Paul. I don't think we got anything on the 15 there. Uh, um, like when I start seeing stuff like that, Jean Paul, it just becomes after today, Andrew. Okay, sounds good. So after hours today, okay, sounds good. Okay. Well, let's get some news. And I bet you that's just coming from Twitter, guys, because again, according to the deck on the website there, right? So I don't know if there's anything new, Andrew, right? According to the website I don't see where that information today is coming. So we're just gonna have to wait and see, right? So yeah, if nothing comes out today for the proxy, then it becomes it's getting a little bit fishy here, right? So in terms of starting to seem like a torch and an SPRT, but yeah, there you go. 750 resistance have been holding. Would you recommend averaging down that is around 8? Charlie, again, if that was the intention, Charlie, if your intention is to hold that position long term, like $8, around $8 is not a bad position to average down at, right? So yeah. Again, if it's a long-term position and you're not overly extending to average down to bring your average down, but if you are like overly extending and you're scared, you're worried, don't average down on a losing position, right? So yeah. Yeah, so confidence. J Star says, "Do you think BBIG will close at seven? Do I think it's going to close at 780 today? I have no idea." J Star, right? So, again, I think there's going to be some funny. I think again, I don't think. I think there's some volatility is going to happen today on BBIG, right? So that's why I want to stay on all day. But yeah, we'll see. Where are the next 200% gainers? Let me know. Please and thank you, Fabian. Okay, I'll let you know, Fabian. I'll let you know. Here you go. For you, Fabian, for you, clove. For you, you know what? I don't even have to think about it. Yeah, I don't want. I wanted to show you guys like the vitamins and stuff like that, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Just in case just in case it's advertising and I get in trouble or whatever. So there you go. Yeah, right, Queen. It's cost me money a free clove. Wow. That'll be the day. That'll be the day, Fabian. Yeah. There you go. You heard it here. Mm, mm, mm. 1 second here. There you go, guys. Why you're at it? Could you use the Powerball numbers for Wednesday's drawing? The numbers for Powerball. Oh no, I don't want to say stuff like that because next thing you know, like it's very like like there's so many lines that you have to be very careful with Detroit. So I don't know. Because some people take again we might be joking about this stuff, but the people that listen and actually take this stuff and go and run with it, right? So you guys yeah, so many deals. Green tea. I don't. Yeah, I had some green tea. So yeah, Crystal. Yeah, some green tea. Some green tea. Some strong support of the dollar, Hazy. Yeah, you want to be careful. Yeah, guys. If you're from Bulldog, guys, if you're from Bulldog, just let us know. If you're from Bulldog, just put the green hearts that you guys use. Just again, if you're from Bulldog, just put a green heart so we know who's all here from Bulldog. And yeah, so I'm gonna yeah. Let's see. BBIG, come on, BBIG. Yeah, smoked. Okay, sounds good. Okay, there you go. Yeah, yeah, I'm sure YouTube. I'm sure they're gonna fix it because YouTube usually does. Right, smoked. Right, so we'll see. It's, You're about to pull the trigger on F8. Okay. Ashri says, "We missed you guys too on Friday." Ashri, yeah. Hope you're doing fine. Little bit. Any fellow? Nah. Yeah, like, are you guys you know what happens? Yeah, yeah. Bam. Yeah. Do you guys know what happened yet? Bam, or anything? What's up, Ateets? Hello. Hot water, hot. But yeah, we are happy to. Let's go. Yeah, Ateet. Let's go. Yeah, whatever you guys. Yeah, there you go. Audio with. Yeah, Adam, I was trying to think of what you're asking for. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Catrice, let me know. Like, what's your position on EDSA there, and what do you need help with? Is it a good idea to average down 18 shares again, like at $18? Cool. So again, if you take a look at the chart, um, for microvision and for mvista, cool, you're gonna notice that that thing loves to push to 18 to 20 and all the way back to 11 and 12s, right? So again, like 18s and like that's not necessarily the best entry level there, right, that you got it at. But yeah, like around the 11s and the 12s, it usually likes to bounce off that level. There's some to take regular 10-minute breaks away, take and rest his voice. Yeah, Detroit, yeah. I know, guys. I know. Don't worry. We'll take a break. We'll take a break in like an hour or so, guys, and then come back for the last 2 hours, right? So we can take a break. So, especially with the market doing what it's doing here today, so we can take a break. And yeah, so there you go. Yeah, not quite fully recovered enough to like be to be if you just bought some SDC, okay, sounds good. Down on rejected and went to green. There you go. Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, no breaks, Joseph. No breaks. Joseph says no breaks. And sunshine if possible. Detroit. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. It looks. Yeah. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Like just go for a walk or something, and yeah. Yeah, take a break. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like just yeah, in an hour or so, guys. We have a lot of time left, right? So an hour, and then once it's lunchtime, we're gonna like just yeah, and then come back for the end of the day. Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, yeah, yeah. mm. Which is yeah, Mosti. Yeah. Formalities. Formalities. Yeah. Uh, formal ideas, right, Eric? I came up with the formal ideas, guys. The formal ideas. It's where does the support line need to torch candles? It depends, right, Laurie? So I like them to touch the bottom of the candles. So, for example, let me see if I can find an example here for you. So, again, maybe just take a look at this here, Laurie. So let's take a look at when you're looking for support again. So potentially, again, so what I look for is so I'm looking for, even though we can look at the wicks as well, but I'm also looking for like body of the candles to hold that level, right? So again, closing above that level is very important. So if you take a look at the bottom or the middle left hand side there, you're gonna notice the sun shining. So there you go. So you're gonna notice that even though we break below in those wicks, we break below that support level, we're still closing above that level, right? So which is what that's what's very important, right? Again, let even if it does break below, the most important thing is can these candles actually close above that level? That's what you're looking for. Lori. ATR is looking good. Vin, yeah, as long as ATR holds above 11 here today, for me, I'm not worried. For a lot on YouTube and have never seen a 10 to 20% correction, which will happen. Today is just one correction and people panic. 10, yeah, there you go. So, yeah, today is just the start of the week, right? So we could potentially keep going down to Wednesday or maybe even further than that. So again, as according to the calendar here, right? Some September to October, guys, usually a nice little retracement there, right? So again, can we see 10%, 20%? I'm not quite sure, but that's quite the drop there, right? Again, so September to October, there, guys, usually a nice little dip, and then we recover into the end of the year, right? So yeah, there you go, and then yeah, there you go. It triggered star, okay. If game plan, 3 days recover, Bradley. There you go. Joe Rogan, Bradley. Joe Rogan. Follow Joe Rogan. Game plan. 3 day recovery. Yeah, tired, Marco. I'm with you. Any resistance? Any resistance close at top of the red? Yes. Yeah. Again. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Some. Yeah. There you go, Lori. Yeah. And then for resistance, yeah. Eric. Eric says that's rubbish. To the that's what September means, Derek. Detroit. September means tuition is due for the big traders, kids. Prep school and Harvard are expensive. Yeah, September. Yeah, tuition is due. Uh, Sell everything and yeah. Uh, oh no, Marco, you had a fun night. Okay. I know. I bet you I'm gonna like once we hop off here, I bet you we're gonna do like a member like we would we're gonna hang out in Discord like voice while like I'm walking. We're gonna need to hear this Marco story. Marco, be ready. Be ready. Get your answers because Queen and I have questions. And yeah, so once this stream is over and then yeah. It's exactly next week. Is Fabian is next week? You're turning 28. When's mine? Is mine next week too? Next week? Yeah, actually, yeah. There you go, Fabian. There you go. Ask away. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Lori. Look at Chattercoin, Peter Manx. Do you see something that I should be looking at, or you want me to just take a look just to see what's trending? Chattercoins. You guys want to take a look again? Like looking at Chattercoin here, guys. Just to see what's trending here on social media there. So let me take a quick look actually. So I'm gonna refresh that page there. I'm going to take a look at the last hour here and see what people are talking about. And nothing's really changed. So people are still talking about IRNT there, TMC, OPAD, PLTR, SDC, CR, crowd, right? Crowd. So nothing's really changing here, right? So from the last time we looked, so that's Reddit there. So taking a look at Twitter here, I was trending on Twitter, S&P. So nothing's really changed here, pretty much. So looking different, Gaston. Gaston. Good morning, Gaston. How are you? Descriptive if you want. Oh no, Marco. Full detail, Joseph. Full detail. That's gonna be a Hot Trades Discord exclusive, Joseph. So, if you want to be you want Joseph, come join us in Discord if you want these exclusives. Exclusives. Dustin says surf, 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 surf. Let me take a look at surf, just because again, you guys have been talking about surf quite a bit. I'll take a look at surf. Don't. What's up, Mads? Mads Market. What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Take your money, Joseph? Well, okay. Where's the money? Oh, so yeah, do you have a call? Looking healthy, Trey. Yeah, CIDM. Yeah, Gary played that very nice, right, Trey? Yeah, Gary's To invest, where should I put it? 10K to invest. Where should you put it? Find something that you're completely happy with, right? Body. So YouTube is not exactly the best place to show up and ask for to invest like your all your money into. So again, do some research, right? Find something that you again that you really like, and then slowly scale into a position, right? So or diversify, right? So again, there you go. Mm, let's see. What else? I want to take a look at Surf here for Dustin. Okay, sounds good. So I have 750 calls last week, October the 15th. Okay, sounds good. Surf. Surf and call, just 750 calls. Hmm. Yeah. Well, are you good in this position, Dustin? Because it looks fine here to me, right? So while everything else is retracing here today, like Surf is actually looking good, right? So right. So are you green in this position, Dustin? Let me know. A discounted price of $0. Yeah, if you gave me that thing for free, Detroit, I wouldn't take it. Except, yeah, yeah, Dustin, let me know if you're green or red in that position. There, Doctor Shreddy says pins. What about pins? Like, what's the question? No. Princess did say you'll have to pay. Okay. Oh no, Princess. Princess is asking for royalties now, Malcolm. Princess is asking for your royalties. You're green in that position. Okay, sounds good. I mean, like it looks very good, right? So you're in a very good position, right? And it's performing well on a red day. That's very impressive. So, this thing pushed all the way to $8 here. I feel like again, once this thing gets in the money, you might want to consider taking some profits, right? So we pushed all the way to almost to 750 there, right? Um, and you're in some very in a very good position there. Some and so maybe what you're looking for here is if this thing can find a way to close above like 750 here today. So watch for 750 here, Dustin, right? So if we include again that level there, right? Again, head, shoulder flush. So again, we're just trying to clear this level here. If we can break above 750 here, and then it looks better, but just be a little bit cautious here. We need to clear this level here. Dustin, yeah. So you're in a position there. Don't go red, please. Right. Some right. It looks good. Uh, I mean, so keep it away. When the float is increasing, I mean, it's not exactly the best thing, right? So what happens is you're gonna need more volume to move the price higher now, right? So that's not exactly the best. So what's up, M Sense? IDEX, it's not pumping. What are your long term swing plays? What are my long term? So you're holding some IDEX. IDEX is gonna be like a play. M Sense is a play that's very frustrating. It's gonna take a long time to actually play out. So, in terms of like swing plays, like BBIG was a nice swing there at $7, like support at $7 there. What else is a good swing play there? Yeah, I don't want to say clove because again, clove is not exactly like when you say swing, it's not a long term position, right? So, um, Amazon. Hmm, interesting. No, that's just a notification I'm getting. There's some pins. Any good news at all? I got in a call when it 2022 Gen 2022. I feel like I should cut my losses. What do you think? Will it recover again? It's not just Amazon, right, Dr. Shreddy? Like almost everything is dropping here this morning, unless it has some type of momentum behind it. Amazon is gonna not gonna be an exception, right? So Amazon dropping just like everything else is dropping. So what I suggest with like options, like Dr. Shreddy, again, you have a lot of time. Like you have a lot of time with that position there. So you might be okay again. This thing again, Amazon is eventually going to recover. When we have cycles like this, when things drop again, especially companies like Amazon, that's when you buy the dip, right? Because most often than not, those companies keep higher. Again, they're retracing, but higher and higher and higher. So you have a lot of time for that to play out. But what my suggestion is, you just have to find a number, percentage that you're happy with. Well, not exactly happy with. Like again, that you're willing to sell your stop loss at, and then if it's 10% again. So if you lose 10% and you want to cut, you want to take your losses. That's fine, right? You just have to find that number for yourself. So that's what you're trying to do, Hilton. Oh, okay, I don't think you're talking to me. Okay. But we need at least a couple of weeks. Hilton, there you go. The best to get support and resistance. 1 day or 1 year. Oh no, yeah, the daily chart, right, Laurie? The daily chart is very nice for like support and resistance, Laurie. So what is the next events or news associated with BBIG? Some again, we're getting some talk that again the proxy is coming out at the end of the day today, right? Some Hilton. So again, we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens at the end of the day. If that does happen, that's gonna be nice, right? So other than that though, this is the BBIG timeline, right? So again, take a look at that Hilton there. So again, yeah, that's the BBIG timeline there. Need to plug in here. Get rid of that there, and there we go. Back by gold, Donnell. Back by gold. Again, guys, reminder if you haven't smashed the like yet, let's get to what do we need to get to? Let's get to 300 likes, guys, before we hop off in like an hour. So yeah, if you haven't smashed the like yet, guys, take a second, smash the like, hit that subscribe, and share the link as well if you can. So, Morton says ATER. What's your entry for ATER? What do you expect for the BBIG proxy? No. So September the 8th was just prospectus, right, Emperor. That was just the prospectus there. So, yeah. I mean, let's go back here, guys. Let me put up the other charts again here on BBIG and the other stuff here. So, SDC is back above $7. Okay, nice. Yeah. Again, SDC guys needs to clear 740, right, for the next run up to come, right. So for the next run, needs to clear. But again, I don't mind SDC because it's trying to hold above $7 there, right. So if you can continue to do that, then it's not too bad there. BBIG also trying here to yeah, trying to break back again. Support at 730 here. We're holding the level, so that's a good sign. Again, my only warning sign today on BBIG guys is gonna come if we break below $7 here. If we do that, then that's gonna be concerning. But for now, it looks okay here for today, right? So yeah, needs to clear 750 here and then 790 and then yeah. So I'm going to put up these other charts here as well. And then ATR here, guys, looks fine, right? So ATR, guys, again, we talked about that level at $11, right? Again, break above 11, we're looking for $14, right? So, and we're slowly creeping higher here. And then Vivo here, still, guys, still playing around 760, right? Resist 750 here. So 760. Yeah, there you go. Still playing at that level there. With TNT, where's TNT? TNT still below. Okay, sounds good. VTCM there. OPAD back to red. Yeah. Surf. Come on, BBIG. Come on, BBIG. Good morning, Rohan. Are you back from Asia? Looking at the market. I'm assuming the meeting did not go well. When did I go to Asia, Rohan? Yeah, that's funny. No, the meeting hasn't happened yet, Rohan. The meeting happens today, so. Uh, for deleting the in the money options, Matt. How do you delete in the money options? Like, how do you just delete on what's like on BBIG, Matt? McShane. Uh, like Laura, what platform are you using? What platform are you using, Rohan? um, Lori, what platform are you using? Uh, So is a daily chart considered the 1 day, 1 minute, or the 1 year? So again, so what I'm looking for, so I'm not quite sure what you're asking for, Lori, but it's just the 1 day chart, Lori. So if you go to the top of the list here, if you're using TradingView, just click again. This is the time frame, right? So I'm just click on this here, right? Click on this, right? So click on that, and then that's again this. That you're just looking for the daily chart here, right? So that's what I'm saying. Um, yeah. Nah, nah. Good morning, Noir. Good morning. Good to see you, Noir. How are you? What's up, Noir? Roll tight. Uh-uh. Once again, while you can at Detroit, come on, BBIG. Hey, looking for an entry, Alan? Hmm. On ATR, you're looking for an entry on ATR. I need to fix these things here. There you go. Uh, I mean, like an entry after a 13% move, Alan is right. Is tough to it's tough, right? Like, is this just a day trade, Alan, or what is it? Day trade, scalp? What are you looking for? Maybe yeah, there you go, Lori. Yeah, I like trading view charts. Guy, a rough day, guy. La la la. Joe says, "What's a good entry for ATR? I mean, like a potential retracement to resistance, guys. Again, you guys know, right? So, not long hold. Okay, that's tough, though, right, Alan? That's tough when you're asking for like day trades after a nice run up like that. So, and when we look for entries, Joe, this for you as well. Um, you guys know how these things love to run and then come back and test the previous tops, right? Again, so for ATR, that level is $11, right? So are we actually gonna go back to $11? Not quite sure yet. So again, just be patient here, right? So watch for what potentially $11 there, Joe. So in Alan. On a bloodbath day, yeah. Some names are always gonna fly, guys. There are just some names that are just gonna absolutely kill it. On it doesn't matter whether it's a red or like just a bloodbath day. Some names are gonna be very good. Again, what happens is just momentum, right? Momentum plays. Momentum plays. Like just because the market is crashing doesn't mean everyone's sitting on the sidelines and watching. People will still FOMO into any name that's flying. So yeah. And news at all on best remedy. I can take a look at best in a bit. Bulldog is back. There you go. Right again. They usually fix it, guys. They usually fix it. So there you go. Bulldog's channel is back. Nice, good, Queen. So they're live again, or you able to switch it up now? Is that what you're saying? Is a squeeze play, FOMO at support? 11. It's yours. A squeeze play. FOMO at support. Martin, what are you saying? On fat flies. Don't think you guys can see that. No. Can you PRTH them? So can you give me your thoughts on are you in a position? Are you in a position? Are you looking for an entry? You looking for an exit? What are you looking for? Okay, you did. C. Okay, sounds good. Give me some details, right? Fat to fly. Like, give me some details, and I'll take a look. And then I'll take a look at best as well in a bit. Remedy. 14% for the day. Needs it all. I'll take a look. The live popped up on your notifications. Okay, sounds good. That's good. Absolutely. John says AMC is forsaking us. Forsaking us. They confirmed they got suspended, got their attention. They say hopefully not. Oh, the yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. Then had a horror fantasy football show on yesterday. Oh no, guys, yeah. I'm sure we'll get some details. But yeah, we have some super chats here. Super chat from Classic Physique. Says, hey, I was looking at rice and I wanted to invest in, but Weibo doesn't let me. Do you know why? Rice. Is it because it's on the OTC Classic? You might just have to contact them, right, Rice? A Classic. You might just have to contact them because if it says it's not available, there's nothing we can do, right? So maybe someone that's using Webull here can let you know, Classic. But again, other than that, if it says it's not available, because again, not every ticker is available on every platform, especially on like stuff like Webull. So you might just have to contact them. Super chat from Mike Harrison says, "You are very knowledgeable and pleasant to listen to. Much appreciate your services. Thank you very much, Mike. Really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you." Uh, what was I last week? I'm just looking for some swing for the back in EMC fat to fly. Okay, sounds good. So I'll take a look. I just want to understand again when you ask me a question. I just want to understand like where you are coming from, right? So I know what I'm looking for. So is not available at fire sale prices. No. Okay, let me take a look. Let me do some ticker requests here, guys. So Fad wanted me to take a look at PRTH there, TH, and then best as well there. Okay, sounds good. No, no, yeah, the market is very it's just very slow here, some which is okay, some which is okay, yeah. But yeah, I wanted to take a look at. Whew. Yeah, once we, I think I'm gonna like take a nap before I go for this walk because, yeah, it's just, let me take a look at this here. I don't know, we'll see. PRTH there, priority technology. Hmm. So you like the short interest in this play here, but yeah, like when you say that, right, fat to fly, this thing has had a very nice run up already. Even though we're down 7% here today, it's yeah. I They haven't been okay. Let me see here. Okay. Mm. Yeah, maybe I don't know. The entry would be like I don't know if you can get like 650 here, maybe 650, right? So if we can test 650 and hold 650 fat to fly, that might be a level to watch, and then your next level would be $6, right? So watch for those two levels, because again, for now, as you can see here, we're not just failing at that level by coincidence, right? So we're not just failing at this level here by chance, because again, initially support, now it's going to be resistance, right? So on the way up here, we're going to struggle there, right? So again, watch for 650, watch for $6 here. Those would be your next two levels to watch. I'm just gonna leave this at $6 here. So there you go. And then mm, mm. What else? What else? What else? SDC. Entertain says for gas to get your for gas to get your corona test, please and thank you. Entertain, I know what it is, and that's what it is. Entertain. Just yeah. There you go. Thank you, E. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. There you go. And then what else? What else? What else? I need to take a look at best here. I know we looked at best already as well here. Best is another name here of 12% here. Again, I will push in 12% and push 160 there. Okay, sounds good. Well, again, as you can see, we've this has been done already, right? So again, can't remember who was asking about best. I'm forgetting already. I'm sorry. But again, like 160 here. If we can close the one above 160, okay, cool. We're good to go to 190 there. But just be careful here, right? So even though up 11%, 12% here, if you take a look at last week, right, we really struggled at 160 and then failed all the way back down to 125, right? So again, be careful around here. So we broke above that level to 177, and then right back below 160 here, right? So just be a little bit cautious around this level here. Is there any news? Let me take a look. Is there news? So August 18th there. I don't see anything from today. Yeah, don't see anything here from today. They were. Thank you, Fatify. Yeah, Fabian. Okay. La 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 la. That's. Alan says, "Will you take a look at the chart for FCell? What do you think about the and do you the company FCell? I know we looked at FCell last week, and yeah, again, I remember when FCell ran from like $7 all the way to like 30 something dollars. That was pretty exciting. So and now it's back below, back to $6, right? So again, like this run here, that's when like FCell, yeah, I was watching it, like yeah, so like this that was a crazy run there. So and yeah, so F for now is like it's sitting at an okay level here, right? What like we're sitting around like your support is like 5.95 $6 here. That's not a bad level there. So again, support, right? So you take a look here, Alan, right? Support, nice bounce, right? $6 here, 5.95. Push to 8.22, right? Again, same thing here, nice little bounce there. As I ruined my level there, and then another bounce again of this level, right? So again, like this isn't a bad level at all here. So there you go. Any yeah, there you go, remedy. Yeah. Dog Toxic, good morning. For lots of months. Update Adam. Are you sure wasn't anyone heard about not heard out? I have no idea, Adam. Yeah. No idea. Be on the patient vibes. Morning vibes. Justin, absolutely. Um waiting and seeing. Yeah. Good morning, Justin. Yeah. I yeah, you want to be patient. It's he's got a fever and he needs a cowbell. On Discord. Oh no, no, yeah. I'm just gonna I'm coming to Discord, like voice Discord. No, just listen to Marco's stories. That's all I want. And Law leaves this morning. Soon I'll be free. I'll be free. Okay, sounds good. Marco, can you like can you ask her to leave before we join before we come on Discord? Is she gonna be like if you can you turn your camera on? Is she gonna be there? The SEC is about oh no. On TikTok at the same time, Laurie? A live on TikTok. Huh. Like is TikTok actually like huge, Laurie? Let me know. Like is TikTok huge, huge? Like is people keep talking about TikTok, guys. Like people get financial advice, like people get like advice from TikTok. Like how does that work? Live on TikTok. Wow. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy stuff. Let's go back here. Back to the BBIG, guys. I yeah, I bet you like again like with the market doing like what it's doing here today, guys. People are just like you know what, screw it. I'm just not gonna watch the market here today. Like just again, we had that initial excitement in the morning, but if you take a look at everything now, it's just like you know it's just so slow. And yeah, we might see in more volatility as we go into end of the day there. But hopefully again, so I just wanted to one more thing I wanted to mention was hopefully you guys got a little lesson right from like what potential what could so last Friday, right, some what like quad witching potentially could be, right? So double sense I make oh okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah. So like quad witching, guys, again, it's just a whole bunch of volatility, and that volatility, like a lot of it comes like at the last hour, the very last hour, right? Because again, a whole bunch of options expiring, futures options, all these different options expiring. And you guys, again, we talked about this last week. The intention for these guys is to make sure that BBIG and AMC and all these options don't expire in the money, right? So push it down. They're never free from the law. Yeah. Low, low motive, Johnny. Yeah, low motive. Hey, no. Lori, that just seems like Lori. I know what you. Yeah, like it just seems like so much work. Like trying to do more like TikTok stuff. Yeah. You're busy shorting stocks to change a light bulb. Shorting to change a light bulb. What do you think about Jan calls for BBIG? Again, if you believe in the long term, yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Jan call again. You're getting a lot of time for that to play out for you, right, Jane? Yeah, that's fine. Especially on a dip, Jay, which is what you want to look for when you're looking for calls, guys. Again, you're looking for them on the dip, right? You're looking to scale in on a dip. So yeah, not bad, Jim. Taking that market is slow. Other than a few tickers, Fabian, yeah, it's very slow to them. Like the market is just very slow. That's what happens on red days, guys. Red days, people say, "Suck it, I'm gone. I'm out of here." So out of here. But yeah. Again, reminder: if you haven't smashed the like yet, guys, take a second, smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, so hit that notification bell, share the link. We still have about like 40 minutes left, guys, and then we can take a break and come back, right? So, but before we move on, guys, we're gonna take a minute here to listen to a message from one of the sponsors, guys. We'll be back in less than a minute. So here we go.
Hey everybody, I'd like to take a quick minute to talk about crypto IRAs. I personally recommend iTrustCapital. When you sign up for an IRA with iTrustCapital, you get to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like anywhere else. They got a wide variety of crypto to pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, to Polkadot, and even Doge, and they're adding stuff all the time. The best benefit about an IRA is that you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And trust me, I don't like to pay taxes as it is. So I'm always looking for a break when I can find one. It's easy to set up. There's only a couple steps. There's no hidden fees. Everything's transparent. And you can even transfer your 401k or IRA that you have today. You sign up with the link in the description and you get 1 month free.
Mm-mm. Uh, Ken Griffins. There you go. There you go. I'm honestly surprised, like how this thing is not giving up yet. Like ZIVO here, just honestly not giving up yet. It's like we've been struggling all day at this level here at 750, 760. Oh, here we go. As soon as I say that, we're dropping here now. I was just about to say that we keep coming back to this level here, 760, right? So yeah, just be careful around that level there. BBIG, yeah, yeah, guys. I need to plug my I need to plug this in as well here. We're trying to not work too much, Lori. We can nap, Leona? Yeah. Good morning, man. How are you? Wow, guys. What's going on here now? Why it's yeah, it's just a continuation of the rubbish. Absolute rubbish. What else? Mm-mm-mm. Just passing by says check EDSA. What about EDSA? Just passing by. I've looked at EDSA already. EDSA already multiple times. Are you looking for position? Or like what are you looking for? Uh, on AMC today, oh yeah, AMC's just like everything else, you're right, man. Like every single thing is struggling, right? So, BBIG just hit that level like 730 support, and we're trying to bounce here as well already. So, let's see again. Just the games. Is not other than that, yeah. Um, George, if that thing starts crashing to like 7:30, honestly, I'd be very careful, George. I'd be very careful there. Wow, that's quite the nice little bounce, Tim. Nice little bounce. Come on, BBIG. Yeah, again, like George, the reason for that is like a lot of these names, George, like that's a momentum play, right? So if that thing starts crashing, George, you want to be very cautious, like very careful. So la 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 la. Yeah, honestly, if that thing breaks below $7, yeah, you might want to be running for the hills. Because 673 might not necessarily hold, right? So I'd rather buy it like on again like holding a level, break above like 760 and start holding that level and getting ready for another run. That's better than trying to catch a knife on the way down, right? Mm, 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 mm. La 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 la. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Mm, will it get to $8? If it breaks above 760, yeah, $8. It's gonna move very quickly. If it can break and hold above 760, yeah, it's gonna push for $8, right? So, but again, like when we're breaking above resistance, that shows you that there's momentum. Whereas when you're trying to catch a knife on the way down on a play that's up on 200%, that thing can keep dropping, right, and still be okay. And then you'll be holding a bag, right? So again, like plays like this, like plays like ZIVO, these are not diamond hand plays, right? Like we mentioned earlier, like these are not diamond hand plays. If you're getting into plays like again, like it's very impressive to me, like how well it's holding above 7. So that's good. It's good here for now. But if it starts breaking down here, you want to be careful, right? So again, up 160% here, right? Just be careful. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mm. Now to get into Jordan TSM. Taiwan Semiconductors, semi. You're down at 2K, but we will explode. Christopher, what are you holding? BBIG. Uh, back to 45. Yeah. Tell me a story about the BBIG DD. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean the Heat Inferno? The Heat Inferno. A story. Tell you a story. Once upon a time, uh, there was a guy called Nathan. Nathan, Mr. 9 cents. Uh, eat. Yeah, there you go. Um, now, now is now a good time to buy Nvidia and TSM. Let me take a quick look here. Nvidia. Mm, mm, My chart is just loading here. Give me a second here. So Nvidia for me, like again, like around like $200, it would be pretty amazing if you can get that. I'm not sure if you are, right? But if you can get like $200 by the end of this like retracement here, that'd be a pretty nice entry. On Nvidia, there's some. Yeah. Like again, when stuff like this happens, right? When stuff like this happens, Jordan, when the market retraces, when best story ever, just passing by, the market totally sucked. There you go. Once upon a time, the market totally sucked. Once upon a time, there was a ticker called SPRT, guys, and then it was very promising, and then it became then it went to zero. So there you go. Um, Yeah, no, like Jordan, what I'm trying to say is like when stuff like this happens, when the market goes in a nice retracement here, what you're looking for is like good, solid companies, like again, sure, Nvidia, and then you want to scale into those companies, right? So you can slowly buy like increments there instead of like jumping all in. So Nvidia, like $200 would be pretty nice. TSM, let me see, TSM here. Just like again, TSM, just like everything else today, retracing, right? So I'm looking at the last 6 months here for TSM. This thing loves like to this thing loves like 110, right? So it loves to push all the way back down to 110 in the last 6 months, like 110, all the way back to 125, 110, back to 125, 110. Okay, cool. Yeah, so watch for 110 then. On TSM, Jordan. Going up, Yeah, Jordan, that's a good, yeah. Again, that's why people love in AMD as well, right? So uh, gonna regret not buying today when everything is up tomorrow, Sonny. Yeah. Uh, Hazel says AMC back to high 30s or closer to 50s. First, what do you guys think? AMC down to the high 50s or to the 50 to the low to the high 30s or to the 50s first? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think honestly for me again, Hazel, like if that thing breaks below $40, people are gonna panic. It doesn't matter whether the entire market is retracing or not. AMC breaking below $40 is very like psychologically draining for a lot of people. So because they don't want to deal with like the 30s again, right? So Jason says the 30s. Wow, again, it seems like people again, most of you guys are thinking we're gonna see the 30s. A lot of you guys. So this is the dip before the rip. There you go. Again, honestly, for me, I just like for AMC to hold above the low 30s. Erica, would love for AMC to just hold above the $40 level, please and thank you. That's all asking for them. Otherwise, it's gonna be very annoying. Very annoying. There you go. Yeah, guys. Yeah, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like if you haven't. No, like Will Meet predicted a total reversal of Friday for today. Will Meet said on Friday or Thursday we're going to what $16, right? So yeah, and well, guess what? I guess that's not happening. So again, I keep saying this stuff, guys. Again, you want to make your decisions based on things you can control. Like Will Meet, I'm sure he's helping the cause. He's helping pump up BBIG, right? But you don't want to be buying stuff because Will Meet says so. Because yeah, don't do that. 50s, Luke. 50s, 50s. TM, is it a long term position for you, TM? Is it a long term position? Yeah, no, that's yeah. I didn't again like always say when someone's telling you stuff like you need to understand like where they're coming from, and I honestly don't understand like his position in the play. So yeah, is he just pumping to dump it or like what is he doing? I don't know. So do I trust that? Absolutely not. If it helps, is that good? Yes, cool, sure, whatever, right? So just like Elon, right, guys? Yeah, Elon of BBIG tends to do the opposite of the market. Just have patience. Luke, yeah, yeah. AMC is going to 29.85 as pinch. 29.85. What's ATR looking like there? Okay, not bad. There you go. AMC holding a bag for a long time. AMC, yeah. Honestly, Jason, I know it loves to hurt you. Yeah. uh, uh, Ellis Atid, are you in Ellis? Atid, let me know. Yeah, AMC is looking very weak, Paula. Yeah, everything is looking very weak today, though, right? Like everything is looking very weak today, like very very weak. Some. Not necessarily, Luke. Luke says if AMC goes to 29, BBIG will go to $5. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. One minute they are on our side. The next, oh yeah, don't listen to stuff like that, Sam. Uh, the next day or not don't help. Doesn't help that Kramer has been bashing AMC recently either. I thought AMC was such a big, such a big AMC advocate, right? So again, these guys are here for momentum. They're here to like benefit in whatever way they can benefit. So again, Sam, don't make decisions based off Kramer or well, not Kramer to say based on like social again, like the media stuff there, right? So yep. Benzinga. Just Benzinga, Bruce. Just Benzinga. Water at heat. Yeah, take yeah. In like maximum 20 minutes, we can take a break and then come back for power hour, guys. Hopefully we can get some a little bit of volatility here into the close once when we come back. So there you go. Yeah. 866 Fabian. Yeah. That's amazing, Fabian. How that thing is like it's done that twice already. Like nice push above the 20 and then all the way back down to that level again. So yeah. It's la, la. Might actually look at some BTBT actually, Fabian. So we'll see. Might look at that BTBT chart and see what's happening there. But unfortunately, there are a lot of people who are default Kramer etc. It does affect the market sentiment because these guys have huge followings. Exactly, Sam. Exactly. I mean, yeah, that's sad, but yeah, I know what you mean. So yeah, nothing we can do, right, Sam? Other than like the only thing you can really do is like try and manage your positions the best you can, because again, like just so many people, so many things involved in the market that you have no control over, and yeah. What manual platform am I using? I use TD. I use TD for like trade execution, and I use Trading View for the charting. Yeah, going to take a break from live stream. I am cool. I am in like 20 minutes, 18 minutes here. I'll take a break for lunch. For lunch hour there. Yeah, I'll take a break, and then yeah. La 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 la. Absolutely, Manny. Absolutely. Victor says the CEI good entry. Yes, Detroit. Yes. Toronto Dominion. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, not TD Ameritrade. Yeah, yeah, Detroit. Yeah, you throw a bag. Victor, you're trying to throw a bag. I inversed head and shoulder on the AMC 5 days ago, on point today. Warned everyone prior. John. Yeah, I mean, yeah, again, like, yeah, it's more than that though. No, I feel like my voice is coming to that limit. But it's more than that, right, John? Again, it's not like AMC is the only ticket that's crashing today, right? So there is entire market here dropping today, right? So there you go. Um, um, beautiful triangle. Yeah, like it's honestly like Matthew, like the way like ZIVO is performing here is quite impressive. Honestly, not gonna lie, like it's impressive, like how this thing just doesn't give up, and it's like it's hitting that same level over and over. Eventually, we're gonna have like a huge red candle here, or like a massive candle above here, and break above $8 here. So again, one of these two, right? So, and BBIG, okay, BBIGs, Nice. Again, nice bounce off that support level, right, guys? 730 there. And yeah, let's see if we can push back to 750 there. Know what? A melons today? Watermelon. 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 About to cross over. Yeah, seems like the mark. Yeah. Can I put value? Kramer says, then he loved it. He just says what the herd wants to hear. Exactly, Trevor. Exactly. That's exactly what Kramer does. So I like to do the opposite of what Kramer says, anyways. So there you go. Easy mode says, sorry, I missed something. What is that long position mark? Long position mark. What do you mean? Like, what are you asking for? Easy mode to feel better. Fabian, no. Honestly, Vitino, like I know we talk about the proxy. Like again, I feel like Vitino, like when it comes to the proxy and things like that we look for, like to drive BBIG up, a lot of it is FOMO, a lot of it is social media sentiment, a lot of it is just like just the hype, right? So, like honestly, for me, like just if you have a position in BBIG, bought the dip, like just try not to. Just try not to pay attention too much to the hype, just in case it doesn't happen, right, Vitino? So again, if the proxy comes in and it helps, okay, that's amazing, that's perfect. But yeah, other than that, try not to hang like your hope onto that it's gonna. Ooh, yep, my entry, my long entry ID, oh, I see what you're looking at. Oh, that's just an indicator there. That's an indicator there. I don't quite. I'm gonna get rid of it there. Don't like it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this later here. I don't want to have that in the chart. There. Ignore that. Some. Uh, yeah. There you go. Yeah, just ignore this for now. Some. There you go. It's not exactly what I want. There. Easy mode. Yeah, ignore that for now. It's not quite as I was just playing around with a different indicator there, but it's not quite as refined yet. So that still has a lot of issues. Getting hammer candles. If SDC is okay. SDC. The S&P. Okay, cool. Fuse. Wow, Fuse is back to $10. Fuse. Wow. Okay then. Roots. Okay, yeah, Roots is gonna be one that I like. I'm keeping a very close eye on there because like was sitting at the very. You know what? I'm gonna take a look at Roots here, because that might be a play here for the future. So I take a look at this here again. Like Root for me, honestly, like around $6 isn't bad, but we just need that little bit of momentum to come in, right? So if we can start gaining some momentum here, it might get it might start getting Root might get exciting there, right? So yeah, yeah. It's gonna be something to yeah, if we can start bouncing here, then it's going to be exciting. So you need that little bounce here first on root. So there you go. It's not a bad play there at all. So we know it's heavily shorted, but we just need that momentum to come in, and then we're good to go here. Is it a low float as well? It's last time I checked. Okay, that's 75 million there, so it's not the smallest, right? So it's a little bit more difficult to move. So uh regardless of proxy info, yeah, Vitino, yeah, I'm exactly right. Again, again, Vitino long with the stop loss with a plan, right? Like a proxy should not be like where you hang your hopes on, right? You know what I mean, Vitino? Again, have a plan based on things you can control. You can control like reaction from the proxy, right? Long term, you think, yeah, crushes it, yes. Vitino, yeah. It's not appealing. Very few vids on it. Scares you. Okay, yeah, Vitino, again, like those are some warning signs for you, right? So again, if you're in a position, just make sure you're planning accordingly, right? Yeah, again, don't ignore any warning signs you see from any ticker, right? Yeah. So Manny says, please let me know what you think about IMV. IMV. IMB here. Hopefully it's on the list. Nope, not. IMV here. Are you in a position already, Manny? Are you in a position already? I can clearly see here that we have an issue like around here. So, as we're trying to recover here, we have support around this range here, like right around like $1.50 there. Maybe that's the entry, but we also have resistance at $1.80 here, right? So for now, we're sitting in like no man's land here, right? Up, down again. Like we're breaking above, unable to hold right back down to this level. Nice push again, back down to this level. So again, your entry is like $1.50, right? So for that position there. You're looking to? Okay, sounds good. And save your voice. So I stop answering the same all the time every 5 minutes for Christ's sakes. There you go, Darren. There you go. For your and nah. Yes, yes, yes. F8, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nah. So one more look here at SDC. Yeah, SDC. Again, nothing's really changed here with FDC, guys. Nothing's really changed here, so we're gonna move on here. I'm gonna take a look at BBIG here one more time, and then we can hop off here in a little bit. Again, right back down to support, right, guys? Again, just the games up, down. AMC, AMC, guys, slowly retracing down to wow, guys. Again, what $40 here? This level is huge. If we start breaking below $40 here today on AMC, that's a huge red flag for me there. So there you go. At least for the short term, right? So that's to be short term, short term. So there you go. ATR actually, yeah, ATR is looking a lot better here today. So trying to recover them. And then ZIVO still holding up nicely. They're still feeling at that same level, right? 760 there, 760 back up to 720 there. We're trying to go again. So again, eventually we're either gonna get a nice break above or a huge sell-off candle there. So just be aware of that and be cautious. Lots of rubbish, Joe. I know. Just woke up to see a red today, Jonathan. I know. I know. Thank you, Queen. Thank you. Greetings, fellow. Wow, Singapore. Lee, Singapore from Lee for and Henry as well. Singapore. Hello, hello, guys. Uh, Ron AMC says, "Can you take a look at Ellis?" I can take a look at Ellis. Ellis is a banger. Uh, on AMC Allen. Well, yeah. Again, it's, partly true. Alan, partly true. Be a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna hop off in a little bit here, guys. In the next 8 minutes here for lunch, and then I'm gonna take a nap or whatever I need to do, or hang out in Discord, or go for a walk, and then we can come back again end of the day for Power Hour, right? So there you go. So I wanted to take a look at Ellis here. Okay, sure. Ellis. So yeah, in the last few minutes here, guys, if you have any takers you'd like me to take a look at, just let me know. I can take a look at them, and then we can take a break and then come back. So I know we've looked at this one already. So this one's on the OTC here. Again, it's up 37% here today. So quite impressive here, right? So we talked about breaking above what level here? Again, 20 cents, right? So we really struggled at 20 cents, like really struggled at 20 cents. As soon as we can clear that level, okay, cool. Now we're ready to explode here, right? So we, again, 20 cents, struggle, right? Again, so there you go. So above 20 cents, what are you looking for? Honestly, we're basically sitting at some new highs there, new highs, right? So again, for now, you're just looking for psychological levels there, right? So again, above 20 cents here, you're now looking for 50 cents, right? So that's your next level to watch. Yeah, it's very like it looks very good here, right? So just needed to clear this level, you had 20 cents. Here you go, B. No. What is there you go, B. So B says LKCO. Can I take a look at LKCO? Down 24%. Oh my goodness, 24%. 24%, like $1.20 is not a bad entry level here. It seems like, right? B. So if you take a look and see, like again, quite a few times we've had a nice bounce of $1.20 here. So $1.20, nice bounce there, nice bounce here, nice bounce $1.20, $1.20 support here. So we're actually trying to hold this level of support, right? So, but honestly, my only concern is you need to find out why these guys are down 25% here, and if that's a good enough reason for you, and then okay, you can go ahead and start scaling it at like around $1.20, right? So, but we need to find out why. So there you go. Super chat from Vincent says, chicken noodle soup mystery headline properties. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Okay, sounds good. We'll do some DD. Okay, yeah, B. Yeah, do some DD, please. Vincent, thank you very much for the super chats. Oh, yeah, I'll get some. I'll get some stuff. Healing properties. There you go. Mystery. To improve my usage rate. Yeah, position. No, okay, sounds good. Someone shift at 1 p.m. Please, thank you. That's funny roadside. That's funny. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Yeah. La, 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 la. Yeah, Martin, your ATR former went great. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, ATR looks good today, guys. Looks very good. So, yeah, patience is being rewarded on that play there, right? So, yeah, doesn't look bad at all. It's we're pushing for what level here? ATR. We're pushing for pushing for $13 here, right? Again, we talked about the next level resistance being $14, right? So again, this thing has a lot of room, as you can see. We just absolutely destroyed $13 without an issue, right? Again, resistance really isn't at $13 here. As we're just breaking above that level there. The next level to watch is 14. So again, yeah, a lot of room to run still for ATR. So there you go. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good, ATR. Selling at 13.20. Okay, sounds good. Jumping. SDC jumping too? Okay, sounds good. You sold already, Christian? There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nah. Christian, how come you're not a member yet, Christian? How come you're not a member yet? That's my question for you. Nah. 2% gain? Okay, nice. Good job. It's too late. Hunter, I mean, like it's had a nice run already today, right? So you want to be very careful there now, right? So your entry potentially like on the way up would have been like 20 break above 20 cents because that was a key resistance level, right? So that would have been a key level to break. Christian, for you, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing, Christian. You get nothing. Um, you get to yeah, yes, Christian. You can do whatever you want. Entry in Monday morning work meetings, Justin. Yeah, the ETL looks good there. It's one of the best, one of the better plays here today, right? 20% move today. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, again, there are names that can run in the red market, guys. Right? There are names that can run in the red market. All they need is FOMO. All they need is some exciting stuff, and they're good to go. So there you go. My potential. Yeah, Justin. uh, this morning. Let's go, Alan. Good job. Your puts again, like PLTR, right? Alan does that all the time. Again, I know this time it's a little bit different because again the market like just is dragging everything down. But like PLTR does that all the time, like pump and dump, 27, 28, back down to 25, 23, right? So yeah, as ATR guys, wow, looking lit, looking lit. What's the temperature? Anyways, it just feels Not that warm. Not that warm. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna leave it here ish. So if you're not a member, come join us. We're gonna hang out in Discord, guys. If you're not a member, come join us in Discord. So there you go. We'll see you guys potentially, maybe, probably at the end of the day. Hopefully, if we're feeling up to it, maybe Mindy's gonna come on later today. So we'll see. Um, yeah. So if you are, yeah. So we'll see you guys later today, guys. Yeah, Ellis doing well. Randy, good job, Randy. Good job. Good job, good job. Marco, it's time, Marco. It's time for the stories. Time for the stories, Marco. Don't worry, my headphones, Marco, are charged. I'm ready to just, to just be a fly on the wall. Here you go. Yeah, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like on your way out. Hit that subscribe. And what time? Tim. I was thinking power hour, Tim, like the last hour, but we can do like 2 hours before the market closes. We'll see. Yeah, most likely at 2 hours. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Uh, yeah. So like in yeah, 2 hours before the market closes there. So time for sushi, Christian. Yeah, go get your sushi, please. Guess yeah. There you go, roadside. We'll see you guys in enjoy yeah lunch, DJ. Thank you, Randy. We'll see you guys. Yeah. Thank you, cool. Alrighty, guys. See you guys. Bye.